Stock market day Friday should be really interesting and scary. Good evening, guys. Happy Thanksgiving. Hello, hello. Hi, Andrew, Bill, Donna. Hi, Donna. Hi, Nang. Hello. Uh, yeah, to take off, Bill. Yeah, we'll see. APOV. Short market day Friday should be yeah. Hey, Scotty. Hello. Yo, Green. Yo, yo. JC. Hello. Happy Friday. Well, why do I keep saying Friday? Happy Wednesday, guys. Are you guys ready for the holiday? Let's go, Bill. Let's go. What's up? What's up, Tease? Tease TV. Hello. Hello, hello, guys. Yeah, Shiba was doing good. So I just again, right, just wanted to start the stream and then get going here. So we have Shiba, right, and a few other names. So Crow is gonna be on here. San has done really well. Like San, impressive, right? We talked about San at what level here. So I'm gonna pull up the daily chart here for San and all the other names, right? So San, Mana, right, and the other metaverse places, so we can take a look. But San has done really well, really, really well. So yeah, yeah. Good morning, Virus. What do you mean? Good morning. Chudio, hello, hi, yeah. Finally, he's ready. He's okay. He's ready to go. Perfect, Bill. Thank you very much. Let me see here. Perfect. La, la. So he's English love rocking his okay, trying to learn crypto and this. Okay, okay, Bill. I see your message now. I see your message. Perfect. I'll respond. I'll respond later, but that's perfect. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Uh, welcome, welcome. And then again, if you have any questions, please ask, right? So there's a crypto channel in there. So any questions, please always ask. There's always someone in there willing to help you, right? So just again, here to learn together, right? So when you're this high, you can always see the sun. Whereas good morning. Um, you can always see the sun. So what I'm waiting for here on Shiba, so like we've talked about, right? So we talked about this quite a bit. We can start looking at some names here. Um, I know Nang has a name because I saw it when I was earlier today. Early in the stream there. Let me get rid of these candles here. We've talked about this quite a bit in terms of like what we're waiting for here on Shiba. Like what does Shiba need to go for that run? Because these runs, all these runs here seem to be fake runs, right? So at least for now, right? So I'm going to put a. Don't think I can do that though. Can I do that? No, I can't. So it doesn't let me do that. So what I'm looking for here, guys, is again. So see all these green candles that are failing at the 9-day EMA constantly, right? So we had that break below the 9-day EMA there, and that was a signal for the downtrend, right? So and every time we try and push it, it's a fail, right? It's a fail and fail and fail. So in order for Shiba to turn around here, we're currently on a downtrend. In order for Shiba to go for that run that we are all waiting for now, we're retracing, right? So again, you're looking to scale in as we go down, right? So let's see if we can hold to 35 here. If not, we have this level here at 30, right? So again, this range here might really be something to pay attention to, right? Again, that previous resistance might now become the again might now become the level that you want to like scale in, maybe a bigger position like around this range here, right? So yeah, we're slowly approaching that range, right? So you can slowly dollar cost average on the way down. But if Shiba finds a way to break above the 9 there, and then then we can say yeah, Shiba's ready to go, right? So if we can do that, then yeah, Shiba is ready to go. Love all the hope everyone had a gainful day, Nick. Yeah, not happy with it, Donna. Vets, okay. Let's see here. Go Vets and sheep. There you go. La. La la la. Okay, you guys are just having a conversation about vet time. Perfect. Thank you, Drew. So there we go, right? So again, Shiba does need to break above that level, right? Does need to break above that level there, the 90 EMA. I wish I could, I think I can change that color there to be a little bit more visible, right? Just the size. Okay, there we go. Good thickness, and then I want to have it like some type of something that stands out. Um, just so we know exactly what we are looking for there. It's just a different color, right? So I'm going to leave it green there, right? So this green line is what we need, right? Shiba breaks above that green line there and holds above that level, and then yes, we can say we're ready to go, right? Again, every single time we tried to go for a run here, it's been a fail and a fail, tested and fail, right? Tested and failed. So that's all we need to do here. So and then we're good to go. Gala to the moon. Let's go. Nang, hello. Hi, Amber. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. Sold vet off and put in sand. Happy, happy. There you go. So again, that's how that Shiba there, guys. We know exactly what we need to do, right? So all these runs for now, or the tricky the just tricky runs, not quite there yet, right? So that's that. Let me get rid of that there. And then I want to take a look at what's that in the middle? Is that sand? Wow, look at that thing go, guys. Look at that thing go. That thing just hit a new all-time high. Yeah, I did. Right, 752, 753 on sand there. Yeah, like, it looks really good, right? So I remember we looked at sand. Um, not sure where those lines are now. But sand was just like 350, like $4, guys, like all the way over here, right? And this thing it just exploded and just exploded here. So yeah, again, we are in like just prices that we've never been to. So these are just price discovery. Price again. All we're seeing now is price discovery, right? So again, $8 would be your next level to watch, right? Because I can see this candle here. Again, yeah, that's the all-time high, right? So again, all-time highs are $8, so that's what I'd be looking for your next level to watch. And then obviously, like a $10 level might just be a psychological resistance level to watch there as well, right? So seven, $8, and then a week ago, right, Donna? Yeah, like we talked about the metaverse place, right? Mana, San, right? Hero, all Gala, right? All these names, and they've just exploded this week, right? So yeah, done really well. I made my buddy so much money on sand plays. Nice. Good job, Mohammed. Hello. What's wrong with Sheep? Please go up, Sheep. Archie says, what's wrong with Shiba? Please go up. William is still awake. Wow, unbelievable. Unbelievable. William, you should have bought some sand. Uh, Most of crypto pumps all-time highs in the first day or week. It's because of the hype, right, Rod? Why most new crypto coins are pump all-time highs in the first day of week? It's because of the hype. It's a brand new shiny toy people want to play with. It explodes, right? So yeah, especially if it comes out in the same sector, right? Same thing with the stock market, where you have again, if EV is hot and there's a brand new EV IPO, well, guess what? Shiny toy, pump, right? So I was under dollar like 30 days ago. Yeah, nice, Nick. Nice. Any livestock options? No stocks. No stocks. Come back on Friday. Come back on Friday. We'll talk about stocks in Discord. There you go. So yeah, again, Sandbox looks really good there. Looks really good. You're looking for $8 there next. That would be your next level of resistance, right? So, and then potentially $10 there. For Sand, let me take a look at Mana here, guys. Mana again, another metaverse play there. If I can find the right chart here. Nope, that's not it. I just need to pin down these charts and actually just add them in, so I don't have to deal with all this rubbish here. So again, that's the right one there, right? We talked about again, if you're looking for position in, right? If you're looking for position in mana, we talked about this, right? You should be waiting, right? Again, either wait for that retracement. So this thing did really well, right? It up and back down to that support there at 250, right? Broke above that level, came back again and tested that level. So again, that entry that we talked about was a retracement too at 350, right? So 350, right? Push, come back and test previous resistance, now support. So 350 would have been a really nice entry, right? And here it goes, right? So $5. So $5 would be your next level there to watch, right? So just like we did previously, right? So $5 there next, and then and beyond. Mana looks really good though. So, and then we're gonna be watching 550 here as well. 550 would be the all-time high though in Mana to watch. So that's Mana. Let's take a look at Gala again here. Gala. If I can find the right one here. Um, where is it? Nope, that's not it either. Uh-huh. I just need to just do the watch list so I don't have to deal with all this stuff here. I'm just gonna use that. So Gala looks really good, right? We talked about Gala. We talked about Gala and talked again. Said, yeah, if you're looking for a position here, maybe wait for 30 cents, right? Or wait for this thing to clear 45 cents, right? So one of those two levels. So again, 30 cents, 30 cents right there, and never quite got there, but we broke about 45, right? So again, that would have been your position there, and it's sitting at 56 now, right? So yeah, Gala looks really good. All-time highs at 60 cents, almost 61 there. Looks really good. So no one can nah. Uh, can you tell me the expected lowest price of Shiba coin you want to buy? There's no such thing. One, two, three, ready, right? There's no such thing as expected predicted lowest possible price. So you just have to dollar cost average and scale in, right? So just slowly buy on, like, again, it seems like you do want to buy anyways. That's not your question. So I would be dollar cost averaging, right? So slowly buying, and if it keeps going lower, you can just keep adding to your position, right? And then once it breaks above the nine there, and you're looking to enjoy the gains, right? So yeah, dollar cost average. La 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 la. Denmark. Buy high, sell low. Buy high, sell low, guys. I just saw where Elon replied to a tweet. Someone said the Doge has 50 million in shorts. Is it Doge? Is Doge dead? Doge is not dead, Steven. Doge is not dead. Doge is gonna go on a run, especially as you go into next year. And we know, right? We know that again, Doge is with SpaceX there. They're doing a launch, right? So honestly, all we need for Dogecoin, like all we need, is a date. Say Doge is gonna list. Doge is gonna go to. It's going to go on that rockets on this specific date. You know what's going to happen? Doge is going to pump into that date, right? So buy the hype, sell the news, right? So Doge is going to go for a run. From what level, I don't know, right? But again, once we get a date, say, okay, we're going to do this rocket launch on this specific dates, and you have a month. Yeah, Doge is going to go for some nice runs as he leading into that event, right? So because that's what Dogecoin does. It runs into events, right? SNL, right? SNL, Doge Day, right? So yeah. What happens to Shiba? The same thing that happens to everything, right? That's what happens to Shiba. Same thing that happens to Bitcoin, right? Happens to Shiba, right? Cycles, up, down, up, right? We go from disbelief to hope to optimism to believe to thrill to euphoria, and then we go the opposite way, right? So complacency, anxiety, denial, panic, right? Anger, capitulation, depression, right? And then we turn around again and go, right? It's just the cycle of everything. Everything goes in those cycles. If that's enough, Doge must. If that's enough, yeah. Look like ADA is retracing. What do you think of a good percent? So I'd be looking for like $1.50, right? So, we know ADA got some negative news, right? And that's what caused our retracement. So there you go. There's some stuff here about Shiba. So I just wanted to let me see if I can cover that as well here. Let's see what this is. Some interesting stuff about Shiba. I'm not quite sure what to tell you. But again, so someone says we are building the Shiba zone in Venezuela. We won't say the exact location yet, but if we if we will say what is on the way, many merchants accepting Shiba, right? Also quality care with incredible people and an establishment named after the founder of Shiba. More details very soon, right? So what's happening here? Seems like Venezuela is building something, right? This video has this tweet. Has a lot of retweets and a lot of likes on it. So the Shiba zone is what they're calling it. So just a whole bunch of stores around, just almost like a mall or something is what they're doing in Venezuela. So interesting, right? So um, 1, 2, 3, ready? Scale in. Dollar cost average. Scale in, right? Don't look for a specific level. Scale in. Donna, with the watermelon. Donna, how do you like the watermelon? How do you like the watermelon, Donna? So thoughts on holding gaming crypto if you don't play the game, Nana-san. Donna, it depends, right? It depends. If again, you can it depends, right? You can get into a lot of these names without being involved in anything. There are people out there that that are never going to scan themselves or use the metaverse, right? But they can see the opportunity, right? So they can see the opportunity and invest and make some nice gains, right? So if that's what you want, right, you don't have to be involved in gaming or anything, right? So again, you can still get in at the right time, on at the right levels, and be a part of the movement, right? So you don't have to be involved in gaming or like the metaverse, right? All about the gains, Donna, right? You have a lot of mana. Okay, it's doing really well, right, Donna? So maybe you can, if it's shaky at any point, you can take profits on the way up and go from there, right? So don't have to be involved. Have a lot of mana. A lot of mana. Let me see what else in terms of news here. Thank you guys. That Zeta. Let me see here. Give me a second. Let me get some of these articles here. You know what's interesting? There's another article here about Dogecoin, about Doge. So I'm gonna get a link of that there, and then some NFT news here that we can take a look at. Opportunity, yeah, virus, right? That's all it is. Opportunity. You can buy your crack with with Shiba there. To George, the champ Flores. We are the sheep army. George, the champ Flores. Hi, George. The Shiba army. What mana is gonna be doing the next hour? We'll find out. So Don, again, thank you very much for the super chats. Let's go. Thank you for the support as always. Christy, hello. Hi, hi, hi. So again, that's the Shiba zone there, guys. They're building in Venezuela, so that's interesting, right? So, and there's another thing here, guys, right? So if that thinking, a healthcare services firm and now accepts Shiba, though support for accepts Doge, support for sheep, and Floki soon, right? So it's really interesting. So there's a doctor out there, right? So a Canadian healthcare service firm is making itself stand out from the crowd by its willingness to show support for three of the most popular dog meme cryptocurrencies, right? Doge, sheep, and Floki. So yeah, really interesting. So Ask the Doctor is a Canadian healthcare service company headquartered in Toronto. Right, its original purpose was to provide health and medical information in a similar way to WebMD. Right, currently via its partner firms to provide the following services. So again, these are the services that they provide. Right, so telemedicine consults, COVID-19 test, travel, medical insurance, dental, right, cosmetic procedures, physio, chiro, all that stuff, right? So yeah, it seems like they are. I'm not gonna go into all this stuff here, but yeah, it seems like they're accepting sheep and Doge, right? Accepting Doge, but support for sheep and Floki coming soon, right? So really interesting, right? Really interesting. There's some yeah. Acceptance, utility, Canada, oh Canada, home. Just kidding. It's a good time to buy ADA while it's down. DJ, there you go. So yeah, so again, the doctor there. Let's see if we can take a look at the at the doctor's Twitter profile here. So their Twitter profile. Ask the doctor, guys. Brings you the most trusted health news and information, right? Those to be accepted for growing number of healthcare services in 2021, right? Sheep and Floki 2022. So it seems like they're coming in 2022, right? These guys have more followers than some of those some exchanges that accept Shiba, that accept Doge as well. So that's cool, right? Cool. Yeah, it's just interesting, just an interesting article of them. So yeah. Venezuelan, you see why? Yeah. Alex says, hell yeah, Alex, hell yeah. Back to the charts here. Moni, you signed up for that stuff already? Look at sand. Wow, really nice, really nice. And what Shiba at still? Yeah, 39. Not doing a whole lot there. So let's switch back to the 1 minute time frame here for some of these names and just watch. And then sand, same thing here. Sandbox 725. And then what's Crow doing? Crow is just chilling for now. So I'm gonna take off Crow and put up Mana here for now, and then we can just rotate between some of these names here. Mm. There you go. Just below $5. Yeah, all these things retracing here together now, right? So all these metaverse plays and sheep retracing. So retracing together. I'm doing good, Tyson. How are you? Currently, Sandbox is going crazy. Sand is in the middle, right? So had a 50% move, the last few hours here, last 28 hours. What's a good entry? One, two, three, and ready. A good entry is multiple levels. There's no specific level. Nah. How high can mana price go? DJ. This can't really put a limit on how high these things can go, right? So can't really do that. Can't really do that, guys. Don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already. Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new, and yeah, and yeah. And you guys, again, membership link is pinned at the top of the chat. There, so if you want to become a member and join us in Discord, do so. Yeah. You know what's really interesting? Like I don't know what Shiba's. I don't know what the crypto market is gonna do tomorrow. I don't know if it's just gonna be quiet with it being a holiday, right? I don't know if it's just gonna be quiet or if we just keep going. Joy, there you go. 1 second. There you go. Um. mm, Can you suggest me some coins to invest for short term? Sandbox is already high. Again, for now. One two three says so. 123 is asking what is a good entry price for Shiba, right? Shiba says 123 says is that Shiba? There we go. Come on, let's go here, right? Let's go. Give me some can I get some nice green candles for Shiba here? It's interesting though because these things are all bouncing here together. Come on, Shiba, let's go. Let's go for a nice little run here tonight, right? So back above 40, I like that. I like that. In the words of DJ Khaled, guys, I like that. So come on, Shiba. 123 says not a good answer, guys. Not a good enough answer. 123. Again. Mm, yeah. So we'll see here. Not a good enough answer, Christy. Not a good enough answer, right? So scale in. Just buy multiple levels because you're looking for one specific level, and that's not good enough. That's not how you make an investment, right? So I scale in at 40, I scale in at 35, I scale in at 30, right? And then once we start recovering, I'm super happy because my average is not only at 40, it's in between those levels, right? So yeah, scale in. Scale in or FOMO in. There you go, right? So yeah, either scale in on the way down or wait for that thing to break above the 90 EMA, which is sitting around just below 45 there, and then go from there. So was just on sale for a couple of days, yeah. So good evening, hey ER, hello, hello, hello. Is it not cheap enough for you right now? No, they're looking for like one specific level. They're looking for to say, okay, buy in at this price, right? So and then let me know what we're gonna pump. I can't tell you when we're gonna pump. So, but yeah, that's a yeah, pretty nice dip there. Pretty nice dip. So, there you go. Don't wait too long. Just pull the trigger. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, right. Yeah, like why not? Why not? Again, if you have $1,000 to spend or $100 to spend into Shiba, why not do $10 at a time? Right? Do $10 at a time as we go down. Just $10 here, $10 there, here, $10 there, and next thing you know, you have a pretty nice average, right? And then once you start pumping, you're like, there we go, pump, pump, pump. Let's go. Is a buy, Jeff? Yeah, I think so too, right? I think so too. I think Shiba's gonna run at some time here, sometime soon. I think Shiba's gonna go. Yeah. YGG, YGG. Let's see here. Mana shot up in the past year. Oh, like I was looking at those numbers, Donna, and they're all like outrageous, right? So some of them were up like 12,000% in the last year, 21,000%. Like some of those numbers are like absolute madness, Donna. Absolute madness. You're new to crypto? That's what you're asking? No. If you're new to crypto, right, once you get a nice dip like this, right, one, two, three, what you want to do is not exactly look for a specific level. You want to buy as we all going down, right? So maybe you give it an increments of like, 10 spaces. Um, and then yeah, you slowly buy in. Again, if you have $100 to buy, right, buy $10 here, buy $10 as we keep going lower. $10, $10, $10, right? Especially into things that you like. You want a dollar cost average on the way down, not look for like one specific level that, oh, I want to buy at this level, right? So uh before it's run, Douglas, you think so? You think so? Let's see. La la Solana, do you have a position? UCY in Seoul? Watching from Zimbabwe. We holding Shiba to the moon. Tafa, Tafad, Tafad. Watching from Zimbabwe. 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 Hello. Mm, Odell says, "What do you think about dots?" I can take a look. Again, guys, if you're asking questions, right, please just give me a little bit of give me a little bit of context, right? Okay, I'm holding this at this price, or this is my plan with this position. I believe in it long term. Just give me a little bit of detail, right? So it really helps. Like you might not think so, but me understanding like where you're coming from really helps me answer your question, right? So, be honest, Horn, is Doge dead? Doge is not dead, right? So. Doge is not dead. I'm being honest with you. That's how I feel, right? So I don't think it's dead, right? Especially as we go for that rocket launch 2022, right? I think Doge is gonna go for a run then. So again, also have having Elon involved, right? Elon involved with Dogecoin, and you could see what happens on Twitter, right? There was a tweet, there was a tweet like last week. I'm sure you guys know what again. I'm sure you guys know what transpired there, right? Some stuff about Binance, some stuff about Dogecoin and Binance, and Elon responded there saying, "Yeah, that seems fishy," right? So he seems like really invested in Doge. He seems like whenever there's a topic that comes up about Doge, Elon is there, right? Um, so I don't doubt Elon. So pick one or two cryptos and add a little at a time, Donna. Yeah, right. So like I've said multiple times, guys, all I'm waiting for when it comes to Dogecoin is a specific date, right? Right, Elon is involved, right? So again, if SpaceX gives us a specific date and say, okay, we're gonna launch on this date, right, 2 weeks out. Well, guess what? Doge is gonna run into that event. It's gonna run into that date, right? There's gonna be a lot of hype. Dogecoin going to the moon. Dogecoin going to Mars. Well, guess what? That's gonna bring a lot of hype, and it's gonna continue moving higher, right? So we just need a date, and so uh, it'll be in the thousands in the near future. Long term growth or hype. I mean, I see the long term growth there. But and I do understand that yeah, cryptos is in the infancy stages there, and Soul is gonna continue to go as an investment. So I can take a look at the chart if you're looking for an entry there. Uh, but the thousands. Let's take it step by step for now. Yeah. Alex, how long have you been trading for? Too long. No, just kidding. No, for well, for 4 years now. 4 years now. Is to the moon soon, Douglas? Okay. 1, 2, 3, ADA. What about ADA? I think ADA. If you again, so ADA, your next level potential entry level would be like $1.50 for ADA, right? So let's go. Yeah, guys, don't forget to smash a like, hit that subscribe, guys, and here you go. No, Alex, it's been like ten years or something like that. Um, what indicator you got on the sheep chart? The nine, the 20, the 9, the 20, the the 9, that's the 20, the 10, the 90-day EMA, the Bollinger Bands there. But yeah, so but I have one specific level that I'm paying attention to on Shiba. Just one level. Right. Yeah, just one level, right? We can keep retracing as much as we want to, but again, once we break above the 90 EMA for me, I think Shiba is ready to go. I think it's ready to go. So yeah, Alex. So that's you need to break above that level. So above, I think that level for now, again, as Shiba goes lower, that level is going to continue to go lower because it's an exponential level. But if Shiba can find a way to break above the 45 level now, I think it's 4 4 something something, breaks above that level, I think Shiba is good to go. Right. I really don't know what level and how to check. Just just about 30 minutes ago, and hoping you didn't make a mistake, Odile. Okay, let's take a look. So you bought duds like 30 minutes ago, and you're not sure what level you bought at, and you're hoping it goes higher. La, la, la. Mhm. So you bought it 30 minutes ago. Let's see here. Give me a second. Give me a second here. My thing is just loading up here. La, 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 la. So you bought it 30 minutes ago. I'm just and you're not sure. I think you might just be okay here, right? So I know you're not you're just guessing on like in terms of what level you bought at, right? But that's honestly not a bad level, right? Initially we had resistance at this level here, like $38, right? $38 resistance. So we've talked about this quite a bit, right? So when you have a chart, right? And you have a level, right? You have a level that you struggle at. So let's go back in time here. So we're just gonna leave it here. So with resistance. So whenever you break above resistance, which is what this was, right? Again, some really strong resistance here. So hit that level and sold off. But once you break above this level, that level is now supposed to become support. And you can see that play out here, right? So you broke above this level here now. And guess what? Well, we came back down. That level is now bounce level, right? Bounce, right? Cool. We came back down again here in this on this occasion here. Guess what? That's another bounce level, right? And again, so it seems like you bought 30 minutes ago around that 38 level again. So that would be the expectation that it keeps holding this level for now, right? Again, obviously nothing's a guarantee, but for now, you're buying around support. And the hope would be that this thing can find a base there and recover higher, right? So yeah, Odell, not bad. Right. So yeah. So how goes it? How goes it, John? How are you? How are you? Good to see you. Uh, Good time to buy Shiba and how many faded. I would consider scaling in, right? Are you trying to scalp mana, Alex? Okay. About worth watching. Up 200% in the past 2 days, DJ. Yeah, I know Nang was asking. Nang, right? You asking for Nabox down on Doge investment? Let's go, John. I think I see quite a few people actually doing that, right? So, I'm like I don't know what like I don't know why you guys are doing that, or why I want to think to do like why I feel the same way, right? Uh, but Doge is yeah, John. Like I've seen quite a few people double down on their positions in Dogecoin. So it's on dot. It's what percent on dot? Nah, it's 20 or more. Donna. Okay, nice. So yeah, there you go. So yeah, again, not a bad position there, Odile, right? So just make sure you have a plan at least, right? So again, with your first investment, it should be something that you can afford to lose, right? And then go from there. You can add as time goes on. I just did that last night too for Doge. Exactly right, Christy. Like something is going around, and I don't know what it is. And I feel the same way too, right? People are adding more to their Dogecoin positions. Like it's just out of nowhere, right? Out of nowhere. And I'm seeing this person buy Dogecoin, and this person buy Doge. It's like it's I don't know what's happening. Uh, uh, there you go. there was a nice volume pump, and then drop last night. You watch it for a while, Christy. Okay, yeah, like it's interesting what's happening there with Doge. So we'll see, right? We'll see what happens there. Mm. La, la, la. Let's win. Hello, let's win. Hello, hello, hello. So that's dot there. Just wanted to quickly take a look at that there, and yeah, let's go back here to the other names, right? So back to Shiba, Shiba. Yeah, like honestly, I'm ready. I'm ready for sheep to just go here. I'm tired of the rubbish. Tired of the rubbish. But again, we know exactly what sheep needs to do before we can celebrate. So we can talk about Shiba going. Look at Shiba. Come on, I like that, guys. Right, break about 40. Right, come back and test 40, and let's go for a run. Shiba, can you give us a Thanksgiving run, please, and thank you. Can you give us a run back to 45, back to 50, tonight? That would be cool, right? Come on, Shiba, let's go. And again, guys, we're gonna do the Shiba giveaway soon. I promise. It's just been just so much going on, so we'll do the Shiba giveaway. We'll see what happens here tonight, or maybe right, maybe Friday, something. So the Shiba giveaway. Someone mentioning scalping. What is that? I'm new to crypto. Scalping is basically like like playing the ups and the downs. Like just again, again, think of a scalp, right? Think of when you think of a scalpel, right? You're just picking off like little profits, whatever you can get in and out very quickly, right? In out quickly. Scalp, right? Just trying to make some profit very quickly. Those are what scalps are. Today's your second day in crypto 123. Well, welcome, Erica. Unbelievable. Hashtag blessed. Yeah, come on, cheap. Bolama. I think you had a question, but I missed it. So if you still need, uh, I gotta find somewhere that isn't Coinbase. Okay, there you go. So Bitmort, Leswin says KuCoin. Thank you guys very much. Thank you. You got in early into what the metaverse. The metaverse. So question for you guys, like we've been going back and forth. Shiba's going there. Shiba looks good there, guys. I like that. Come on, give us a 41. Come on, Shiba. Let's return back to the days of of the exciting Shiba pumps here. So here we go. At 41, guys, right? Again, dollar cost average, because you never know, right, where the bottom is going to be. Instead of looking for one specific level, slowly buy in increments, right? In here, in there, in, and then go from there. I like what it's doing, right? So I like Shiba back above 40. There you go. So hi, Mindy. Hello.
Mm.
How come? Okay. Do you always have like the? Okay, no, it's nighttime. I was wondering, like, look different, but the lights.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah, I liked off.
okay. Look at Shiba go, Mindy. Let's go.
I know.
Yeah. No, it's funny, Mindy, because we've been talking, because I've seen a lot of comments about, and about people picking up Doge, right? And Chrissy said, yeah, I picked up Doge last night, and John said, yeah, I just bought some more Doge, right? And I know you were talking about getting some more Doge, and I know Josh bought some more Doge, and I was just asking, like, like what's going on? Like, why all of a sudden there's so much interest? Like all of a sudden there's something happening. Uh, it just Doge does feel different though. Like it wants to go. Not sure what it is.
Yeah,
Uh, Big news for Shiba this week. Yeah, we've seen that tweet, right, from the Shiba developer saying, yeah, something big is coming for Shiba this week. What is it? No idea. All right, so but let's go. So your next level of
mhm.
resistance, the same level that we failed at last time before we came on stream, was 42.5. Like all the way to that 42.5 level. That's where the next level of resistance is, the bigger level there. So let's see if we can get back to 42.5, right? So support around this level, right? Support around 40, right? We're trying to hold that level there. Resistance all the way up there. So Shiba, come on, make
Yeah.
us proud.
I think the thing with Doge is like yeah, it hasn't been doing anything. You know, it lost a lot of interest. People jumped into stuff that like was making gains, but
Mhm,
now everything kind of crashed and everyone kind of goes back to where their heart
mhm,
like originally started, I think. And then also, you do have we know of a catalyst with Doge, right? Everything else is kind of like up in the air. Like we do know that there is a catalyst with Doge sometime in February. We just don't have an exact date. I think Blaze was talking about that earlier. But once that date comes in, it'll be intense. But I think it's
Hmm.
just that mindset of, it hasn't been doing anything and
Hmm.
everything took a pretty big hit, but Doge didn't really drop below 20. And so,
Hmm.
um, yeah,
Yep.
seems like everyone's trying to go back to where they know it's kind of like, you know,
Yeah. Yeah.
yeah.
But you know what's, yeah, exactly.
Like when everything else cools off, what's going to run? Maybe Dogecoin, you know? You never
Yeah.
know.
Waiting for that date.
Yeah, just need a date. And that's like I didn't buy Doge yet, and I told Blaze I might be just waiting until that date comes, even
Yeah.
if it runs
Exactly. Yeah.
beforehand, but just waiting for that date so that way, yeah.
Like they, there's really no rush, right?
Mhm,
It's not like you're gonna miss. I mean, you might miss a part of the run if it does happen, right? But you don't have to rush into Dogecoin, right? It's like like all these catalysts, right? Once you get date, that's when the run really begins, right? So you can just wait for that to happen and then FOMO in like everybody else. So you don't have to rush into anything. You can
mhm,
actually wait
mhm.
for confirmation of news, right? Because again,
Yeah.
we might
Yeah, the
all
only
just keep
thing, like,
guessing.
yeah, like you said, confirmation, because,
Yeah.
we never know. You never know what's gonna happen, like January. You never know what's gonna happen in the first of the year with it, just anything in general. So,
Yeah.
um, that's why I'm kind of waiting. What Ron says he doesn't know about the Doge catalyst. The Doge rocket, SpaceX putting Doge on a satellite, sending it up to space,
Hmm.
all funded with Dogecoin.
Funded with Dogecoin. So yeah. We'll see what happens there. Willie, I like to get in when I see a bottom, like the one Ashiba put in today. Yeah, but like what's interesting here is like just the correlation between between like Shiba and the metaverse place, right? As this thing sell off here, we might see Shiba, maybe go for a little run. Right, so we'll see. We'll see, guys. Again, support at 40, right, and resistance at 42.5. 7%. Yeah, Ron, you knew that. You knew that. Elsa says good vibes, good vibes, good vibes. Then did you say anything else on Benzinga? I know you shared some stuff that I haven't really covered on Benzinga, so I don't know if
Um,
like you wanna like do your
let's
screen
see if
and then
there's anything new.
yeah,
Or you want me to
like I
share
haven't
the ones
covered.
that I sent you?
Yeah, I haven't looked at any of those.
We,
I haven't covered them
okay.
on stream.
Mhm.
Yeah, yeah. It's different, like like with your like different, like sharing the images is yeah a little bit more.
You
I
covered
got
the
one Tesla.
dollar.
Yeah. I got one Tesla and 2.1 million Shiba today. Really? Okay, nice. And Mindy,
What?
no, 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 nothing. Never mind.
What?
Erica, no, nothing. It's Erica. Do you know it's between Erica and Erica and Ron. Um, like Erica, do you guys know like do you know Ron in real life? Do you know Ron at all? Unbelievable. Cryptoman 55. What about IORTX? Do you have a position? Let me know what your position is and then I'll take a look. Um, let's go. Are you guys gonna? So, question for you guys: just a yes or no, because I'm not sure what you guys are gonna be doing. Right? Yeah, we go back 20. You do 20 plus years, Ron. Oh wow, that's I knew it. I knew you guys knew each other. Amazing. That's perfect. So, question for you guys in the chat: just a yes or no question. Will you guys be trading crypto tomorrow? I know it's Thanksgiving for most of you guys. Just yes or no. Will you be trading crypto tomorrow? Even though it's Thanksgiving, are you gonna be looking at crypto, trading crypto, anything? Yes or no? 20 plus years. That's amazing. That's amazing. With 8 million sheep 7 months ago for 28 euros, you're sitting on it auditing. Okay, very nice. I mean, why not, right? TC, he's yeah, Erica. Wow, amazing. TC says yes. Christy says yes. JC, yes. Run, yep. You be looking, okay. All day, Peter. You be looking. UCY, okay. You'll be looking as well. Donna, yes. Wow. Okay, interesting. Yes, I'm British. We don't do Thanksgiving or Turkey is on Xmas Day auditing. Yeah, no, we yeah like my Thanksgiving is past as well, so really don't so yeah. Crow, please. Sherry, yeah. Do you need Sherry? Do you need help with Crow? Let me know. Give me some details about your position, then I can take a look. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Did you guys see? Did you guys see the sheep Twitter video? What Twitter video? You poor people. Yeah, Sherry, give me some details about your
Please,
position.
I'll be right back. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I'll be right
Okay, okay,
back.
that's okay. That's okay. It's what's pumping, Sundar? Shiba's pumping. Come on, Shiba, give us a holiday pump. Give us a Thanksgiving pump because you appreciate us, Shiba, and we appreciate you. So give us a pump. I think there was a mention. There was a mention by someone that again the last holiday, last Thanksgiving, Shiba had a nice run as well. So let's see, right? Seems like we're turning around here slowly. That would be a really good thing. Really good thing. Shiba, come on, let's go, go, go. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Uh, what's your view on ADA? I like ADA. I like ADA long term. So $1.50 might be your next level there to buy, right? To put scale in, but please make sure you do your research because none of this is financial advice. But yeah, so of them to do something big, Christopher. Okay, yeah, you know, there's been a lot of talk on Twitter about Shiba doing something big, right? A lot of talk. Sheep developers saying, yeah, something is coming, right? What is it? I have no idea. There's always a holiday pump, Mr. Varus. There's always a holiday pump. Silver, what's your position in AMP? Again, I like AMP above 7 cents. If AMP can continue to hold above 7 cents, I like it there, right? And then your next level is 10 cents, and then 12 cents, and then looking to pump, right? You're loving the low price, okay, yeah. Should do like my second largest coin, yeah, Sundial, yeah. You got it at silver. You got it at 6 cents. Okay, very nice, right? So as long as I think holds above 7 cents, it should be fine. But if it does break below that level, then it might be a little bit concerning because we could easily retrace back to its favorite level, which is 4 cents, right? It loves 4 cents. So as my first crypto experience, Sanda. Okay, your first experience. Yeah, I'm ready. Honestly, I'm ready for Shiba to go. It's we've been on a long enough of a downtrend, so need that thing to break about 44, 45 if it does, and then we might just go for a nice run, right? So exports. We, why do you think the supposed exports continue to dog sheep? What do you mean, Mike? Uh, yeah, not sure what not sure, the burn strategy. What do you mean? I'm not sure I understand your question, Mike. They never talk about the burn strategies. We've done some burning here on stream, right? We did a burn 2 weeks ago. Burned about 24 million sheep live on stream. So, uh, yeah. So the burn strategy, like what they're basically doing is again. So imagine, right? So imagine, right? Shiba is about to go here. Give me a second, right? So. Supply and demand is what I want to cover in terms of like my in terms of burn strategy. That's what they're trying to do, right? So, come on, Shiba, come on, come on, come on, let's go. Let's go. Nothing else is really right. So San has done really well in the last 24 hours. San has done really well. So no questions there. Man has done really well as well in the last 24 hours. Crow has done really well, right? So these things are just again consolidating there for a little bit. And sheep, maybe it's time for sheep to go here, right? Maybe Shiba's turn. Come on. Mm, we but it's overlooked by the experts. Uh Yeah, because again, because it's a process. Like it's a long process. Sure, we can burn 24 mil, but that's nothing. Greater picture, that's nothing, right? So I think that's why it's getting overlooked for now, right? They want to see something huge, right? So yeah. uh 40 Luis, okay, 42 mil. Good job. Uh Point the resistance support on sheep. How do you find them? How do you find those levels? So when we zoom out. JC, we're basically looking for again. So that's all you're looking for is again. So over the lifetime of Shiba, right? When you get to this level, what do you do? When you get to this level, what do you do? Is there a moving average here? So that's basically what you're looking for. For support and resistance levels. JC, basically what you're looking for. Don, is it too late? No, but I would wait for a nice retracement, right, Donna? Like we've gone up like what 50%. We talked about sand like a few days ago. This thing was gone up 100% from those levels, right? So I feel like again, if it's not too late, but the best thing to do, the safest thing to do would be to wait for a nice little retracement, right? So 42. Come on, Shiba, give us a 42, please and thank you. Give us a 42. We did for weeks, but nah, I kept at the time, Adre. Let me see. I think I missed a question. Your initial post here, Dre. So, love. Here we go, guys. 42. Is this the night, guys? Is this the night? It was the night before Thanksgiving, guys. It was the night before Thanksgiving, and Chiba decided, okay, it was time to go, right? So we have resistance, right? Resistance at 42.5, right? That's where the next level of resistance is. 42.5. We hit that level again earlier today. So this level is coming from the last run up. So this level here, from a few months ago, from a month ago, whatever, right? That level is important, right? So hit that level already today, and sold off here to 40 support, right? So and here we are trying to recover, right? So come on, Shiba. It was the night before Thanksgiving. When it stayed, Dre at the same price. Yeah, let's go. Uh, they won't own up. They
Mhm.
if you
Yeah.
take in and take your Dre. Yeah, if take your profits, no, absolutely not. It's all up to you, right? So, let's go Shiba. Let's go Shiba. Come on, let's party.
Albion
Let's.
says he doesn't trust the metaverse. Yeah.
I think. I think. I think. Just like I want to give you a simple answer. Like I agree with you because that's where I think that's where a lot of people would lead, right? So question for you guys in the chat, right? So question for you guys in in the chat. So just a yes or no. Do you trust the metaverse? Yes or no? Do you trust the metaverse?
Yeah, in my opinion, I just think there's a lot of unknown,
Mm.
and
Yeah.
trying to get people to adapt and stuff,
Yep.
might be a challenge, but who
Yep.
knows?
Yep. Yes. Okay. There you go. I don't trust anything. BYD says BY drone says yes. Right. Look at us bump and guess to listen. There you go. Nope, 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 nope. I think the hesitation for a lot of people, right? No one word, right? No one word auditing. Again, I think that's where Adam is saying the same thing, right? Adam is saying the same thing. Facebook backs it, right? So that's where a lot of people are getting stuck on. That's the same thing that I might be getting stuck on is the fact that okay, like I know Facebook has been having issues for a long time in terms of people's security and safety and things like that. And then all of a sudden now the called Meta, right? That's a little bit sketchy. But Facebook is not like it's not like Facebook is bringing. It's not like like Facebook just founded the metaverse. No, the metaverse has been in the works for years now, right? For a long, long time. So you also have to take a look at that. But I see both sides. Do I trust
Yeah.
it? Not quite
There's so
yet.
many metaverses though. Like it's not just Facebook. Like there's a bunch of
Mhm.
things that are
Yeah,
like creating their own metaverse.
yeah,
Just kind of like blockchains, I guess. It's just gonna be there's gonna be a bunch of different stuff going on, not just Facebook. So,
yeah,
but just in general, I think there's just a lot of unknown, and
yeah,
it's gonna be a little hard to get used to some of this stuff. But
yeah,
um, whatever makes gains, I guess.
yeah,
It just depends. Like, do you guys think you're gonna be using the metaverse? Are you gonna be wearing a VR headset and
yeah.
going around town and stuff?
Mhm. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
I had to ask myself that too. Like, am I gonna wear a VR headset and go shopping and play some games and stuff? So,
yeah,
yeah.
there you go. Go metaverse. Yeah, no. There's so many. Yeah, no. There's so many different things though, right, guys? It's not just again. Yeah, like people use it for like house planning, and that's really cool. Like like developments of like construction,
Mhm.
right? People use it for that, right? You could play like GTA in the metaverse, right? So there's some other cool aspects to it, but yeah, in terms of like people scanning, right? That's I think that's where we're getting stuck on. Like, yeah.
Mhm.
This for money, Facebook is yeah, no, again, that's what a lot of people are doing, right? So a lot of people, I bet you, like there are a lot of people out there that don't necessarily believe in the metaverse, but they see the opportunity there, and they're just buying a lot of these plays to make gains, and that's all it is, right? So all it is, Oculus, Oculus, Josh, Oculus. So some H bar. So that again, that Shiba there, guys, your next level resistance. I can see that we almost failed at 42 there. So, but that yeah. So we'll see what happens there. What's Mana doing? San is just a little retracement here after a 50% run. So that looks fine. Same thing here for Mana, right? These things again, these metaverse plays have had done really well, right? So there's nothing wrong with them retracing a little bit and finding some healthy support levels, right? Um, so this again for mana here, that level might be 450, right? So let's see if we can retrace to 450 and hold that level, and then recover from them, or just get back about $5 and keep pumping, right? So we'll see. Come on, Shiba. Uh, no one believed in. Yeah, exactly right. So nah nah nah. Varus, that's a question for you. Varus in the chat. VVS from Super
Mhm.
Philly. VVS.
You can't wrap your head around how much the virtual real estate is selling for. Yeah, I actually had an article I sent Blaze. Do you have that one, or do you want me to?
No, I do not. You might have to share it from Benzinga.
It wasn't from Benzinga. I just sent it to you. I gotta find it.
Okay, okay. Let me take a look then. Virtual real estate, guys. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, so let me take a look. Yeah, no. Speaking of real estate, right? If I'm not mistaken, I think that's the right one there. I think that's saved there, so we're good to go. Let's take a look at this here. So, virtual real estate, guys. Virtual real estate plot sells for a record 2.4 million. Virtual real estate, guys. Right. I think it's gonna take imagine telling like your grandma or your parents, right? Right. Virtual real estate plot sells for 2.4 million.
If
Right.
you read about it, they're using it for like a portion, like they're owning a street in the metaverse. I guess I don't know.
Mhm. There you go. Decentraland, right? So yeah, London, November the 23rd. Right, a patch of virtual real estate in the online world, guys, sold for a record 2.4 million worth of cryptocurrency. The buyer, a crypto investor token, right, and said on Tuesday, right, and Mana said on Tuesday, right. So again, a patch of virtual real estate, guys, in the metaverse, right, selling for 2 point something million dollars in the metaverse. What do you guys think of that? Um, it's
Yes,
cringe.
the
No,
the land that they bought in the Fashion Street area of Mana's map, they would be using it to host digital fashion events and selling virtual clothing for your avatars. So I'm sure they're gonna have like fashion shows and stuff on that
yep,
like street side
yep,
corner.
yep,
I don't know.
yep. Interest surged last month when Facebook changed its name to Meta to reflect its focus on developing virtual reality products for the metaverse. Right, Decentraland is a specific type of metaverse that uses blockchain. Right, land and other items in Decentraland are sold in the form of non fungible tokens. Right, a kind of crypto asset. Right, a crypto enthusiast right buy a land they as a speculative investment are using this Decentraland's cryptocurrency Mana, right? So yeah, Mana, interesting. There you go, guys. I was still thinking of the land. 2 point something million, Mindy.
Hmm.
Decentraland said it was the most expensive purchase of a plot of virtual real estate on the platform. Yeah, I don't think metaverse will be anything much crazier than the VR we have had in 15 years. Uh, like that's so much different though, Amber, right? Like VR is VR is VR. Like VR is uh but this is people are not spending like people are not like planning on like switching their lives up for VR, right? The metaverse is like a lifestyle now. It's you're gonna be having fashion shows in the metaverse, right? You're gonna be right. So I bought it, Erica. Let's go,
Mhm.
right? Like it's a lifestyle, whereas VR is just Amber doesn't believe, guys. Like I think it'll be cool stuff, but it's not gonna take over like people think. Hello, most people still do not even play.
Yeah.
No, again, so the intention, Amber, is to like the intention is to right again. The metaverse has been around for a long time. The intention is like slowly, slowly over time. It's gonna be the thing where like your kids are gonna spend all day on them, right? So you saw the article that Nike came out with. Nike said, yeah, we're coming up in collaboration with Roblox, right? We'll come up with a virtual own like metaverse type thing, right? Where you could play basketball in the metaverse. You could yeah, like try your Nikes right in the metaverse. And if kids can see it in the metaverse, they're gonna buy it in real life, right? So yeah, it's like a you know it
I was
is
saying the same thing to Amber. Like, yeah. I was just saying, like, how can we get, like, our parents and stuff like that, like the older generations to adapt to this? But maybe it's not about that, you know? Maybe
yeah
they're just planning for everyone else to just go away and then focus on, all the
yeah
new generations to, like,
yeah
this to become the new normal, like cell phones and stuff.
yeah.
So,
Yeah. It's almost
but, yeah.
like yeah
I remember when, like, the first iPhone came out, everyone thought it was, like, the craziest, like,
yeah
weirdest thing ever, you know?
yeah
Um,
yeah. No, exactly, right? So 2.2 when someone spends again, like we've seen some pretty crazy buys, Mindy, like in like just virtual
mhm,
stuff now, like non-fungible token buys, right? NFT buys in the last few months, right? So there's a lot of money being spent. Metaverse is the future. It's like exactly right. The intention is to slowly roll this thing out, right? Just like the internet, how the internet started, right? Again, so like your parents would never use the internet when it first came out, right? So but the idea is, as time goes on, it's going to be the new normal, right? It's going to be the
mhm.
thing where your kids grow up with, right? And then people are scared of it. And oh, yeah, people are scared, Amber. But I don't think it's scary. It will take over Ready Player One. Yeah, yeah. Spends millions on virtual land. I bet you, Amber, if I bet you so that I bet you someone's gonna buy it for even higher at some point. So what's up with Dork spends millions on virtual land? Imagine. So I'm trying to give you a good example here, Amber. Um, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. So, Dre says I do. Amber says Dre I do. Yeah, there are people out there that are doing it. Right? There are also people in there that bought Amazon at $5, right? So someone is for sure. Yeah, Amber. Yeah, let's go, Mister Noir. The ones that make millions. Yeah, just transitioning, right? So again, Decentraland said it is the most. Again, it is the most expensive purchase of a plot of virtual real estate on the platform, right? The most expensive, guys. 2.4 million for a plot of land in the
That's
metaverse.
wild. I feel like I'd rather buy a house. So, or like 7 houses, maybe even
Right.
10.
Like Mindy was saying, the land is for the fashion street, right? Area of the Central Lands map and Token.com's. It would be used to host digital fashion events and sell virtual clothing for avatars, right? Interesting. Um, in June, a plot of virtual land in the Central Land sold for 1.29 million mana, worth about 900,000 at the time. The buyers built a virtual shopping center to sell clothing. So clothing has visited this site multiple times since and not seen any shoppers, right? So So someone spent 900,000, right? And no one's been there, so not seen a single shopper. But again, it's just rolling out. So there you go. It's interesting. So yeah,
That's funny. Not seeing a single shopper. These guys
no
are
one's
probably
been
like,
there.
damn, I could
No
have,
one's been
you
there.
know,
Yep.
there goes a
No one's.
million dollars.
Yep.
But like, how are they gonna make that money back though? Like, people buying clothes, and then like, how much are they gonna sell these clothes for? Like, one
Yeah.
Ethereum for a new shirt.
There you go. There you go, guys. Look at Shiba go here now, right? Yeah. Shiba 42.5, guys. That and it's gone. Shiba says happy Thanksgiving, guys. Let's go. Would live a better life when when I would. Exactly, Noir. Exactly. Right?
That's wild. Yeah,
Yeah. The
people are
avatar
gonna
is gonna
be
be.
sitting at home. Their avatars gonna be walking around in Gucci flip flops and
Yep.
all this stuff.
Oh no, if someone spends $2.4 million on land, uh, they have a lot of money.
But
They
you
have a
know
lot
that
of
like the clothes are gonna have to be expensive though, you know? Like are they gonna like each shirt you buy, is that gonna be an NFT or is it just gonna be like clothes? Like that was like I guess we'll work the details out
yeah.
in
It's like
decades
it's
from
all
now
NFT though.
probably.
Like it's all NFTs.
I know. That's
Yeah.
why I'm like wondering, like, you know, you buy a new shirt, like that's gonna be an NFT, so I'm sure the shirt's gonna cost like one Ethereum or
Yep.
something, you know?
Yep. Uh, yeah, which is gonna be living lavish, guys. Living lavishly. Migo, but it's cool, Amber. Yeah, it's we'll see where it goes, right? So again, I think most people are trying to, it's not necessarily about the belief, Amber, right? Right, perception, right? It's not necessarily about the belief in the metaverse itself, but I bet you if someone spends 2.4 million, they do believe in the metaverse. But for most people, it's not about that. It's about like this being the next potential opportunity, right? So like the question I ask myself is, right, the question I ask myself is, okay, like if Facebook, right? A company that makes, even though we hate Facebook, right? Most people do. These guys make money. They make money. They know how to make money. Right? Facebook is free, but they make money. They know what they're doing, right? If a company like that does that, if a company like Roblox does that, if a company like Nike is looking at that, right? So if all these companies are looking at the metaverse, right? And obviously they have a lot more. Again, they have a lot more information, right? Who else, Mindy? There's some big names. There's some other big names looking to the metaverse here. Uh,
And my
Stuff like,
mind's blank.
again, companies are using Nvidia for the metaverse, right? AMD for the metaverse, right? Uh, like all these companies looking at stuff like that. Uh, Maybe they see an opportunity there, right?
Yeah. You
Maybe.
could go down the whole rabbit hole with the
Yeah.
metaverse and it's sketchy. Not like
Yeah.
metaverse in general, but like, you know, like I told Blaze the other night, I watched like hours of videos of like AI, like artificial intelligence, and no, thank you.
Yeah.
But I like what metaverse is doing, and you know,
Yeah.
people are investing into it, and it's popular, and so obviously, like you said, somebody's seen something that maybe we're not seeing,
Yeah.
you know. So I don't know.
Yeah. Will become a thing of the past. Oh yeah. Yeah, Peter. I mean, it's not like the metaverse is it's not like the metaverse is all of a sudden, like, taking away touch, right? It's a thing that's happened already, like with Instagram and Facebook and all these other things,
Oh,
right?
yeah,
And that's the
especially
issue.
with COVID, you know, like
Yeah,
people like,
exactly.
you know, you'd rather shop from your home, and then where metaverse comes into play, why not just
Yep.
put your little virtual headset, walk down, and go buy some Nikes and have them shipped to your house? But like having that feel of, you know, walking into the store, I guess, I don't know. Even though it's
Mhm.
probably mostly NFTs, but
Yep, exactly. I can never stop touching. No, like, yeah, it's not exactly a happy thing or a good thing for humanity or society, the fact that people are losing touch and connectivity, but that's just something that we've moved towards, right? So yeah, with technology, not that it's a bad thing, people lose touch, right? So, and that's just the thing that's going to continue to happen, and we can't stop it. Why?
I shall stop
Because
it.
you what?
I shall
You should.
stop it.
Yeah, you can stuff for yourself, right?
For yourself, right?
Yeah, exactly. You can do that. And sounds, but then again, if you asked me about cryptocurrency 10 years ago, I would have laughed at your face. Yeah, exactly. So
Yeah. I always tell that story. Like my mom, when she first started working for the company she works for now, she won an incentive of getting like 3 Bitcoin. This was like ten years ago.
yeah.
3 Bitcoin, and she had no idea what it was. She thought it was like some gamer token, whatever.
Mhm.
And some guy traded her a $50 Walmart gift card for 3 Bitcoin.
Yeah.
Crazy. So
Yep.
back
Walmart
then,
get
she had
gift
no
card.
idea.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like it's yeah.
She was like, Walmart gift card, say less.
Yep. For 3 Bitcoin. Yep. Thank you very much.
Yeah, she's
And
like Bitcoin. Like she thought they were like video game stuff, like you know,
yeah.
using for like the
Yeah.
video game. I don't know.
Yeah.
So yeah, she's crazy.
Yeah. 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 Like it just do I like it? Do I like the like what direction the metaverse might take? No, because I like to go. I don't want to go camping in the metaverse. It might have the same effects. I don't know, Mindy. I don't know if it will mentally because
Well, the question is, can you duck hunt in the metaverse? That's what I
you
want to know.
can, Mindy. You can duck hunt. You could go.
That's what we should come up with, guys. Buy some land, turn it into some like waterfowl
Yeah,
management area as an
yeah,
NFT, and each
yep.
duck NFT. Look at that, Min Ducky Lane.
Minducky
That's the
Lane.
real question. That's the real question. Because
Yeah,
if you
don't
can, then yeah, I'm on board. Let's go. Let me put my virtual headset on. Let me go get some NFTs out of the sky.
Hey, Hot Trades fam. You guys want to go camping in the metaverse? Let's go camping, guys. You guys
We're all
can
just
live.
gonna be like cuddled in our bed, like with our
Yep.
VR headsets, falling asleep. Yeah,
Yep.
right. Totally. I can't even sleep with like anything. Like,
Yeah.
yeah, who remembers the first Nintendo with Duck Hunt? Yeah, actually, they have it for like your phone. Like, you can download it on your phone. I actually play that sometimes when I'm bored.
Yeah. It's yeah. We'll see, guys. It is what it is. It is what it is. Mm, there you go. Camping in the metaverse. I just got listed in South Korea. Yeah, Mario. Yes, 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 yes. I know Queen posted that article in the news channel then in Discord. So about Shiba, listed in North Korea, South Korea. Sorry, South Korea. The original Nintendo. I mean, Donkey Lane. Unbelievable.
Uh, yeah,
Yep.
what people don't want to buy, I'll buy it. Just kidding. No, I don't know. I don't know. I guess we'll see when we get there. You know.
Exactly. Exactly. We can just let it play out. Carolyn, sleep. What's that? Is that something you do? You can sleep. Can you? I mean, like, what do you need sleep when you have the metaverse? Just kidding.
Yeah, or
Average.
yeah, or
Average.
trades.
Yep. You can live forever in the metaverse. Amber's rolling her eyes. Metaverse is rubbish. You guys give up for this already. Yeah. What's going? What's going? What is going to make Sheep pump? I mean, we have a catalyst here today, right? Also breaking above a key resistance level. That's gonna help Shiba pump, right? So breaking above like 44 to 45 there, that's gonna be a nice little breakout level, and Shiba's gonna go for a run then. So, um, he lost his rockets, Peter. Yeah. So if my wife cheats in the metaverse, should I be angry? I don't know. You guys have to. You guys have to come up with. Yeah. You guys have to talk about that in your relationship. These two. To wash it. The future bright. The future's lazy. Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Future's lazy, guys. But the future is always yeah, the future is always going to be especially as a society we move towards like ease and technology. The future is always going to be lazy, right? Always, 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 always. So future is always going to be lazy. Well, from you know what I mean when I say lazy, right? So not exactly from you know what I mean. Leo says happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Happy Thanksgiving, guys.
Happy
Happy Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving.
There you go. Happy Thanksgiving. Peter, try and feed your kids. So only if she gets out virtually. Uh, unbelievable, JC. Unbelievable. I like what Shiba is doing here for now. Again, it's at least we're back above the 40, right? So um, at least we're back above 40 here, which is a good start for now. So let's keep going, right? So nice bounce of that support earlier, right? 40. We're holding off 42.5 for now, right? Break above, come back and test above that level and holding for now. So yeah, not bad, right? Let's see if we can 43 almost, right? 43 guys. Give us a 45 tonight, Shiba. Is that too much to ask
No,
for
I
maybe?
need I need a 45 for me to be able to
All right.
sleep.
Yep.
Need a 45.
5. Metaverse will go to work for you for Universal. Nope, the metaverse is not gonna work for you. At least not for now. Or maybe if you get a job in the metaverse, right? Maybe.
Yeah, if you use MetaHero, they're paying $1,000 if you go scan your body. They haven't said if you had to wear clothes or not, so
Yeah.
just letting you know.
Like, are they like?
$1,000 to sell yourself.
Mindy, is it like? Are there any more details to that, or like to scanning
No,
yourself? Nothing.
uh, no, I think they're
It's
gonna put more about it later, but
okay.
I don't know. It was just like one of the last videos he put out
Okay.
talking about it. I was like,
Okay.
oh,
Okay. Scan yourself for the metaverse. Get $1,000. Scan it. A 45 Shiba gods. Yeah, JC, come on, give us a 45 tonight, please and thank you. Uh, Anyway, legal or not, since on.
yeah.
Uh,
Metaverse was saying like you could get $1,000 to scan yourself, and then eventually they're gonna. He was saying they're working towards like if your avatar is in like a video game in the metaverse and it's the most popular one, right? You're gonna get incentives off of that, or vice versa. Kind of like a sponsorship, but not. Like if a lot of people are using your avatar for this and this and this, then they're gonna start paying you
when
like
you say this and this and this, what are you saying?
whatever. I don't know what's in the
Okay,
metaverse, bro. I've
okay,
never been there,
okay.
but you know what I mean. Yeah,
Yep. That scan matter. There you go, guys. Right. So, yeah.
yeah.
If your
They're
avatar
gonna
is
scan like
popular,
art and stuff too.
yeah. Imagine that noir. Imagine that, like your top killer in Call of Duty, and your avatar. People would love your avatar. So
Yeah.
yeah. Let's go,
Yeah,
Robert.
like the only scanner they have right now, I think is the first one is in Dubai, and then they're working on putting like 3 or 4 more like
Mhm.
throughout the other parts of the world. So,
Yeah.
and then eventually they're trying to do like smaller scanners, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Yeah.
I don't know how any of it works. I'm just here
Yep.
waiting for a Lambo.
Yep. There you go. Uh, superhero coins? No. Is the scanner named Booba? Um, these two. Why would your wife's avatar be popular? I don't know. Again, like Shiba has support for now, guys. You can see that we bounced up this level twice already of 42.5, right? So again, initially resistance failed at that level earlier today, right? And it's trying to hold it, right? So again, bounce, nice pump there, nice bounce again. So come on, Shiba, give us a 43, give us a 20, 50%, 80% run in the next 30 minutes. Please and thank you. Oh, just to get there, Robert.
Yeah,
Yeah,
more than that, probably.
yeah, paid out. Yeah, get half
But
your
Dubai's
money back.
pretty cool though. You could buy like nice stuff over there for like not that
Yeah,
much, like gold and stuff. So
mhm,
it's worth it.
yeah,
Bring it back here.
yep. There you go. Be- Todd. Yeah. Okay. Well, I hope you get rewarded, Todd. What does like? If you don't mind, let me take a look. Virus at Crow. Let me take a look. See, Shiba looks fine there. Maybe we can do the giveaway. We'll see. So how does mana look? Yeah, mana looks fine, right? Virus. Like, if I take a look at the daily chart, for example, here, I won't find a whole lot of details there because it's been quite explosive. So let me see if the hourly has anything here. Yeah, like honestly, virus. As long as this thing holds about like 45, 450 here, it's okay, right? It's had a like a strong run, right, from that 350 level. 350 bounce, sitting at $5. So obviously $5 is going to be a key level there. This thing looks fine to me for now. Virus. So yeah, again, if this was a scalp virus, you might have should have considered taking profits at like break below like 520 there, right? Then the break below again after a strong run, the break below the 90 EMA is always a concern, right? So, but this thing again, a retracement after a 50% run is okay, right? So maybe not a 50% run in this. I think that's sand. And then if I take a look at Crow here, as you know, virus, right? Crow like to $1. That was a level for a lot of people to take profits, right? People want to take profits on at the psychological level. So this thing hit what 99 cents, right? So people will take profits. So now it's just retracing here. Your next level support is 85 cents, right, virus? So that's what I'd be looking for, right? So again, nice pump, retraced it for 85 cents potentially, right? That previous level there. It seems like we're finding somewhat of a base day though, so we'll see what happens. But again, support at 85 cents. If we can hold above that level, that's completely okay. All right, so yeah. For Crow. And what's that? Cent, yeah. And Shiba.
Chibi.
Yeah. Um Vaughn is I don't think VSS is available on TradingView. VVS is available on Vaughn. I don't think it's available on TradingView. I think we might have to pull it up on like Coin Market Cap or something, Mindy. I know Virus likes that one. VVS.
We looked at it last week, I think.
Yeah.
Um,
Yep.
yep. Like, not really done a whole bunch, like, over the year, 3 months. But, the past day, it's been doing well. So if I, switch to the all-time when it was, like, October or I guess November
Yeah, no, it hasn't been around for
22nd.
that long.
So, yeah, there's not a whole lot of information here.
Yep.
I can just kind of tell you based on, yeah, just what's happening today. Yep. So you can either see if, there's a retracement or whatever, if you believe in it. But there's not a whole lot of information. Maybe wait, it listed, what is that, 00001, and we're sitting at just barely above that, so up 12%. Yeah.
Mhm.
Sometimes with like the new coins and stuff, they either have a nice pump or they chill and then they retrace a little bit. It just depends on what this coin is about and what it does, and if
Mhm.
there's following behind it, right?
Mhm. Can you scroll down a little bit, Bitty? Okay, never mind. Never mind. There's not a whole lot there. Y- You got me, and if you believe in it, just roll the dice. Yeah, virus.
Mhm.
There you
Yeah.
go. If
Yeah, virus.
nah, how do you feel about XYO? You bought enough 4 cents. It just hasn't done much. You want us to go to the site and actually take a look at the details, Vaughn? The VSS site there, VVSS, VVS. Just become a member, join us in Discord, right? And again, Virus is our resident VVS. VVS are expert,
Mhm.
and he's gonna fill you in with like all the information you need. So,
Yeah. Yeah, Virus, I don't know what to tell you, like, an entry on it. It's kinda hard, you know?
oh, Virus
I
is
don't
in.
know.
Virus has been
He's
in.
in.
So
Yeah,
he's
he
still
believes in it.
strong
That's
and
good.
making gains. Yep.
Gains.
Yep.
Gains, gains.
Good evening, Chu. Hello. Can I get on vets? Okay. Let's take a look at Shiba's retracing here. Let's take a look at the few other names here, guys. Shiba's up, yeah, needs to reclaim that 52, 42, 42 5 level again. So, right. So while that's happening there, let's take a look at some other names here. So I'm going to switch over to the daily chart here. So XYO here. I know we've looked at this one quite a bit. Um, you bought in at 4 cents. It hasn't done a whole lot. I mean, you're slightly green, right? You're slightly green on this name. You can see here that, right, we had that resistance, right, around like 7 cents, very similar um, to AMP, right? So we have some resistance here at 7 cents. So if we can find a way to get back above 7 cents, right, with some momentum or something like that, not sure what reason you had to buy this, right? You just have to go back to that reason and see if anything's changed. If not, then you should, you can keep holding if you want to, right? Like your entry is not that bad, right? Like your entry is not that bad at all. So what I'd be looking for though, if this thing can reclaim 7 cents and hold above that level, and then you should be good to go, right? So that's what I'd be looking for. So in at, yeah, like all the way down there, 4 cents.
Yeah, Virus. I feel you. Sometimes I throw money and stuff like Pikachu, stuff like
Yep.
that. You know? Just depends, you know? Sometimes it works out and sometimes it doesn't do anything and sometimes it doesn't work out on
Mm,
those brand new coins. So you just kind of got to figure out what you want to do.
yep. Absolutely. All right, my rated. Yeah. I think those. Let me take a look at vet. I'll take a look at vet, and then I'll take a look at chilies. Maybe I'll do that first. CHC. We looked at this one as well, Roger. If I can find the right exchange here. Mm-hmm. I'll just look at Coinbase here. I think. No, don't want that.
Do like Kraken.
Yeah, but but that's still wrong now. Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
but
just wrong.
we have the US one down at the bottom.
Yeah, I'll do Coinbase here. Coinbase 52. What do I think about this? I think this looks fine. Roger, like it's flagging, right? It's just flagging for now. So what I'll be looking for, I'm not sure if you're in it already. I'm not sure at all. But Roger, what I'll be looking for is this little range here. So if we hold, if as long as you hold above this level, as you can see, like the last month or so, it's been holding that level nicely, like 41 cents, right? As long as you hold above 41 cents, you're fine. It just needs to clear 55. Clear above 55, you're potentially looking for 80 cents, right? So yeah. For now, it's had that nice run, right? And now it's holding. If you go back here in time, well, as much time as we have here, you could see here that yeah, we had some trouble getting above this level, right? Now that we broke above 41, right, it's now become the new level of support, so it's flagging there. As long as that level holds, you're fine. So that's a potential entry level around 41, right? Either 41 or break above 55. Break above 55, right, and hold above that level. So that 55.5 there, right? Break above that level and hold above that level. Then yeah, you're looking for some higher levels. Roger.
Peter said Pikachu, where your money goes, have two into the air.
Unbelievable. You guys are unbelievable. Let me take a look at vets. La 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 la. So many. I'll just take a look at the first one there, because that seems like that's what we've been using all along. Um, who was asking this question here? Don't remember now. Vets,
Um,
vets.
it was
Chu, Chu asking about vets.
yeah.
For vets here, I again they give me some details, right, with these questions. Right. So are you in a position already into this play? Let me know, and then that really helps, right? It's up 1.5% here today. I know again. So I know we've looked at this thing quite extensively in the past because Crystal loves it, right? And for me, what you're looking for, like potential entry level would be like 10 cents. As long as it holds above that level, you should be okay. So I know Krista got in around like this level, around like 6 cents there, right? Six, one of those levels. So again, some really good support around that level, right? Found new support above 8, like closer to 9 there. As long as this thing sits above 10 for now, it should be okay. So taxes us to death. Yeah, looking for volatility between I trade 5 cent increments. So you're trading those 5 cent increments. I don't know if this. I don't know if this. Yeah. So maybe yeah. Then maybe wait for that 10 cent level, right? Maybe wait for 10 cents for that next bounce for your next 5 cent scalp, or maybe wait for like 9 cents there, right? So that level there for your next bounce, right? So yeah, that level right there. If you're looking for that
Mhm.
5 cent scalp, and then I think you're comparing that VT. I think you're comparing between this VET and this, right, for volatility. This seems to be a little bit more volatile than the other one, right? So if you just by looking at the candles here, you could tell, like, again, look at all those wicks, right? Like this seems to have a little bit more, not necessarily in terms of like the 5 cent scalps, uh, but like it's smaller, so you might be able to get more and play with the volatility, right? So that's all I can see here. But I feel like I'd rather be playing with VET. So yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah, not sure if I understand your question clearly. Clearly, Chu. I think that's maybe where. Yeah. Uh, how do we keep our coins at the government banks? Yeah, wallets. I don't know if you can even do that in chilies, baby back ribs, barbecue sauce. Great trading. It's a bot trade. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Okay, I see what you're looking at. And then yeah, then maybe this one would be better for you, right? So just looking at those candles there, you can see a lot more volatility there. So you can see a lot more there for bot trading. Yeah,
Oh, if the
for
government bans crypto, what do we do if there's a plan B? I don't think they're gonna necessarily ban all crypto. They're talking about like stable coins, and how many like institutional, investors are in crypto. That would mess everything up. So
yeah,
it might just be like restrictions on these like poo coins,
just
I guess you could say,
regulations,
the
just like you
ones that
saw.
are getting webs.
Yeah, just like you saw, like you read the article about like ADA. Remember, like how KuCoin is like all of a sudden like say, oh no 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 no, right, because of regulations. So,
Yeah.
but I don't know if they're yeah, it's steal it instead auditing. Yeah, more likely to steal it instead.
Yeah, who knows what's gonna happen.
Mr. Will says, "Good evening, fellow useless people in place." Oh, you're saying I'm not useless anymore? I thought you said everyone else was okay, and I was the most useless person. Watch the waters. The waters 29 hours. Okay, useless people. Oh, nah.
Yeah, they might, yeah, like you said, they might have their own coin, and that's what it is, and only the rich can play with Bitcoin. Then whatever, you just never know. It could
Yeah.
change at any time.
Mhm,
Just embrace the gains, have plans, and
mhm.
go from there. Greetings from Atlanta.
60s. 60s. Big one for Shiba. DJ, a big one for Shiba. For that's your Thanksgiving celebration thing. Absolutely, absolutely, guys. So I just it, you slipped your mind, right, Mr. Will? Okay, sounds good. Uh, UK is looking into a Bank of England. Oh wow, they are. That's interesting. So yeah, that's what I thought, right? So because we've been getting a lot of stuff about India banning crypto. So all and China already done it. In the USA, they are starting this month to ban it. No, like the U.S. is like Minnie was explaining. The U.S. is a lot different from like the other countries. Like a lot different, right? So they're first movers. So you have institutions, right? And then like things like people like sure India maybe, but it's you know it's not as yeah. So you can't really compare the U.S. when it comes to like crypto and India and all these other countries. Like I told you before, remember November and December. What's special about November and December? It's Thanksgiving and Christmas, Mister Will. To the moon. Get ready. Might need to keep it. Might go need to go to the deep web to keep your crypto. Yeah, I don't
Yeah,
know
I
what
don't
to tell.
necessarily think it's a ban. I think it's more of a regulation. There's so much scams and rug pulls and illegal stuff happening with some cryptocurrencies that are people just can list whenever they feel
Mhm,
like it, and they just got to get past the blockchains and do all that stuff. So there might be more of like regulations on, um, you know, to
mhm,
secure that of like fraud and stuff like that. But I don't necessarily think that it's just game over. But you never know. You never know what they're going to talk about. They might bring
yeah.
the hammer down, but there's so like yeah, we were saying there's so many institutional investors in this type of stuff, especially in the US. It's just different. It's a different like sentiment with crypto here.
Mhm,
But they did talk about, that Fed meeting we were listening to, they talked about releasing the white paper on the federal coin, remember, in September, and they never did that. So, um, yeah, I don't know if that's yeah, if
mhm.
that's what they might talk about is just a stable government coin, or
Yeah,
what.
yeah. Here you go. Hey, quick question, from Jacob. I have invested into Shiba for $1,350. Currently hold 84 million. What do you think? I'm. What do you think? I'm new to. Um, what's the question? What do you think? I'm new to pick up to pick up. Uh,
It just depends like where your entry is, because you have $1,350. You hold 84 million. What do I think about that? Um, yeah, if you believe in Shiba and that's the investment that you want to take, then go for it. It just depends on your entry. Like, are you losing? Are you winning? You know, just a little more in depth of what your entry is on Shiba for us to like explain. You know what we see. I guess.
yep. Plan regulation aims to creative for should to be issued by the reserve. Okay, okay. There you go. Right, there you go. So, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Raga. Thank you. So that's what's happening in India. Okay. Uh, use the IDNS right now. No, yeah. Mr. Will. Big news coming, guys. Big news from Mr. Will. Yep. Yeah, I don't know. Some. Yeah, I don't know virus. Yeah, some. Yeah. So if you need any help, like Mindy said, right? So just you can just be a little more specific, right? You have a surprise, Robert, in Discord.
Shiba was like 10,000. If it hits a cent, you'd be a millionaire. Yeah, I think a lot of people. Entry is 0.0000. Oh, is that one? Yeah, that's not a bad entry. Whoever asked that question, I forgot her name. Sorry, but not a bad entry at all. Just have a plan. If you want to take profits or what your plan is. If you're holding for another zero, or
Mm-hmm. Oh,
what happened with Dogecoin? Please explain. What happened with Dogecoin? It should just be chilling, right? It's just chilling. 21 cents. It's just like everything else, though. That Dogecoin, Radams, Laura, just like everything else, it needs a catalyst. It has one in February. There's not an exact date for it, for the Doge One rocket, but it needs a date to for people to buy the hype. Like a lot of these coins, people are buying hype, like the metaverse, this and this, Shiba, blah blah blah. There's always hype around it, and it also has to have um, a big enough why behind it. So, but Shib's just chilling. It's fine. What's up, Blaze? You look scared.
No, I'm just looking at an NFT.
Aw.
Take a look.
Oh, I see it. Okay, hold on.
Yeah. Though just sleeping for now, Donna. Sleeping, sleeping. Mm,
Nice.
yeah. Let's see here. Let's see.
Nice.
Mm, question about the time the crypto would stop working during the night. I know tomorrow won't open, but what time will? No, it's gonna. Crypto doesn't stop. Crypto is not gonna stop. It's
Never
gonna keep
does.
going.
24/7.
Yeah,
Every single day, forever, all day, every day.
non-stop. Yeah,
Non-stop craziness.
yep, exactly. I was looking for a good word media thing.
Non-stop craziness. Like, I don't know.
Yep,
It's always going.
yep. Here you go. Looking for non-stop craziness.
Is that a Hot Trader's hat you have on? Yeah. hmm
Me
You can
too.
get it in the merch store. Yeah, you can't see Blaze though, because he's in the NFT or in NFT. Why did I say NFT?
NFT.
In the
I'm an
green
NFT guy.
screen.
Yep.
Yeah, you guys, if you want some Hot Trades merch, I got some. Where's the shop at? Some Hot Trades merch on here. We just made a holiday mug. If you guys want to give it away as a gift to your family, spread the Hot Trades love around for Christmas. Um, Fun, fun, fun. So we've got that new mug on there. We've got Win Lambo, all this fun stuff. Shiba, the Moose Crossing shirt. You've got Blaze all over the place on here with his face. We cleaned it up a little bit just to make it more simple. And then we've got our hats. You can get a beanie, flex fit, dad's hat. I got a dad hat on. It fits me better. But there's tons of stuff. So yeah, enjoy, enjoy. Yeah, we made this cute little holiday mug. It's got Christmas lights. You can't really see it because it's the picture quality, but you've got like ornaments hanging and stuff just for fun, stocking stuffers, whatever you guys want to do. Just exclusive stuff. We'll probably leave it on for a few weeks and then take it off and
Mhm.
mhm. Okay.
Unbelievable, Mindy.
He
Do you
hates
put
when
up the charts back always?
I don't know how.
What do you mean to know how?
I don't know. Oh, I see now. Okay.
Just rotate.
I
Just
see.
rotate.
Okay, okay, okay.
Um, only just means money with data. Money with data. If we died in the metaverse, what do you? I don't know, Donna. If you go to the gym in the metaverse, but you know how they say like you know existed. So you know how they say like a lot of things start in your mind in the sense that almost like if you believe. You guys know what I mean. I don't know how to put it in words, but how a lot of things like start in your mind. How you can think something in your mind, and if you feel like you're like losing weight or or something, you guys know what I mean. So someone could put it into better words there. But Donna, maybe maybe if you're
You're
working
talking
out in
about
the
like meditating and manifesting,
yeah, but not
imagining.
even that though, like not even like that deep, not that far. uh but yeah, you just I don't know. So like there's been like some research about like if you like people like again they've done like a test where right they take a group of like people and like take people to like a basketball court or something, and they've never shot a basketball, they've never shot a three, but they go through the motions in the dark and like blindfolded or stuff like that, just mentally, and then all of a sudden they can do it, like just stuff like that. I don't know.
What?
Yeah, it's a
Blindfolded? They've never played basketball before, and you blindfold them and hand them a basketball, and then all of a sudden they're a three-point shooting fool.
yeah, like it's all about like, you guys know what I mean. Someone help me out here.
I
Someone
can't
help
even
me
shoot a
out.
three-point without a blindfold.
Like almost like you're in a meditation state, Mindy. Like you're in a meditation state. You're not even on the basketball court yet, right? So you're laying down blindfolded, right? And like in your mind, you're going through the motions of shooting a three, like over and over and over and over and over and over and over, right? Like just meditation state, right? And then like they give you a basketball, you start shooting threes. Stuff,
Mm.
yeah. Jess, what do you want us to watch?
Don't yell at us. If you want to watch the 15-minute chart, go watch the 15-minute chart on your computer. We watch the 1 minute here. It's more action for the stream, right?
There you go. Positive, yeah, right. Yeah, Beth, like, yeah. Blindfolded myself to see if I become Jordan? No, you have to meditate. Like, you have to go through like the meditation process of shooting threes in your sleep, and then there you go. Hi, Queen. Just finished watching a movie. How's everyone doing? Good, 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 good. We've just been talking about the metaverse and buying fake land and stuff like that. So yeah. Uh,
Manifesting three-point shots.
uh, yeah. Ancient people said we will be able to manifest things. So yeah, I manifest things all the time. That's not even a yeah.
I try, but maybe I'm just not good at it. I don't know. I just like manifest. I'm like, okay, this is happening, whether you like it or not, it's gonna happen. And then I'm like, well, obviously I'm doing something wrong. Doesn't happen. I
Well,
manifest, some stuff, but
yeah.
not any cool stuff.
Not with that mentality, Mindy. You have to believe. You have to believe like wholehearted. Like with your whole heart that it's happened already, and then go from there.
But I always have like this like, you know? Like if I
Yeah, I get
wholeheartedly
you.
believe that this lottery ticket is a winner, there's always that part of me that's like, maybe it's not. Like, like I can't just sit down and say, "Yep, this is the winner." But in my head, I'm like, "What if it's not? Oh well, oh well." Then I gotta make my bills next month, because I'm just a planner. I can't. I don't know. Maybe I just suck at it. I don't know. I have positive vibes though. I just not very good at manifesting.
Maybe this lottery ticket is a winner. Meh. It's um $1,000 scan. These shorts on three at once, Brittany. TradingView. Well, you can't have three at once. This is a paid version, so right. But this is TradingView. Brittany. There's a link in the description there for the free version. So as a Shiba, here we go again. Come on, Shiba. Let's go. 12%. Meh, meh.
Oh my gosh. My mom's making pie and she came in here. She's like, "Will you try this? Does it taste good?"
Yeah, doesn't taste
Oh,
good.
it's so bad. She made pie crust, but I'm pretty sure she put like salt in it, like a lot of salt.
We better let her know so she can fix it.
And I was like, "Where's the sugar?" She's like, "You don't put sugar in pie crust." I'm like, I'm pretty sure like pie has sugar in it." Like, I almost thought I was gonna puke on the stream, and I forgot my camera was on. And I looked over, I was like, "Oh, my camera's still on. You guys watch me like try to eat some nasty pie crust." Oh, yeah.
Yeah, no, you have to. You have to, Queen. You have to. Have to. With all the things people ask for, you can't just. Yeah, the free version isn't gonna cut it. Like the free version, you get ads like every five, like every minute you get ads. Imagine getting ads on TradingView like every minute. That, how frustrating would that be? I think maybe five Shiba with Shiba. Okay. Uh, yeah, she's gonna go tell her mom now. That's absolute trash. Throw that thing away.
I
Nope,
was like,
she's
I
told.
wonder, no, I already told her. I was like, is this what it's supposed to taste like? She's like, yeah, it's pie crust. I'm like,
Yep,
are you supposed to put sugar in it? She's like, no, it's pie crust. And I'm
yep,
like, she's like, it'll be sweet once you put the filling in. And I'm like, oh, okay.
yep,
But I want the filling. I don't want to try the nasty pie crust.
yep. Some pumpkin pie. When? Hot chip challenge on stream. Uh,
Yeah, I want to do that so bad.
you want to do it? Do it then.
I don't
Do it.
know. You
Yeah,
do it with me. I'll
you're
send you a
gonna be
chip
okay.
through
You're gonna
Amazon.
be crying on stream, Mindy. Like spicy food. I grew up with spicy food, so
Yeah, I don't do well. I'll
you're gonna
probably
be
throw up.
crying. You're
I'm
gonna be
actually low
crying.
key like, okay, let me get on Amazon and see if I can
Uh,
order them and send you one, and then we'll do it
okay,
one of these crypto nights. What is it
okay.
called? What's the chip called? Someone's got to give me the
Mm,
name of the chip.
yeah, maybe virus can set bets, right, Queen? Wow,
I'll
like
do it.
I'm
I
not
don't
even
know if I
scared.
can put the whole chip in my mouth. I'll take a bite. If I put the whole chip, I won't come back on stream. Like I don't do well with spicy food. The one chip challenge. 5 minutes, no drink. It's not gonna be a challenge. Challenge is gonna be eating the chip. Like that's my challenge. I'm not waiting 5 minutes. Blaze can wait. One chip challenge.
Easy peasy, guys. Queen, easy work. Virus, easy work. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Just like drinking
Oh, $20 for a chip? Oh my gosh. Okay, let's do it.
hot rate hot sauce. Hot rate hot sauce. Ambient.
Yikes. This looks
Jalapeno.
dangerous. Look at this chip. Okay, let me share my screen, please. Look at this freaking chip. It looks like it rolled in sand. Like it's madness. Look at that chip.
Wait. Is that like, what's that? What's the point of this? You want to kill someone with like pepper all over the place?
Exactly. Look at all that crap on there. Like I wouldn't even have to eat it. I would just have to smell it and die.
Oh my
Look at that.
goodness. Okay, now I'm scared. Look at the picture. Like, that's where you go to die. Like, you would die. You would have a heart attack and die.
Dang.
Like, took my. And I'm pretty sure I did. You died? Poo coins. You could buy the poo chip too. Um, yeah. Challenge. Look at that, guys. Oh my goodness, what's that? The Reaper. Show no mercy. My niece ate it, and it was fine. You know what, Erica? You know what's 20. Oh wow. What are you showing us, Mindy? Is there some fire there?
I don't know, I'm just reading it.
Okay.
I think it's got dietary fiber,
That's not
carbs,
the problem.
zero vitamin D, zero calcium, zero potassium.
Just straight fire. The,
Look at
the
that. It
most,
says, do not eat. Whoa. Do not eat if you're sensitive to spicy foods. Okay, that's me. Allergic to peppers, nightshades, or Capriscan. Does that say Capri Sun? I'm just kidding. Or are pregnant or have any medical conditions. Well, keep out of the reach of children. After touching the chip, wash your hands with soap. Do not touch your eyes or other sensitive areas. Seek medical attention should you experience difficulty breathing, fainting, or nausea.
me, that's a coffin. That's a coffin. That image is a coffin.
I know, look at this.
Yeah, I am not ready to. Guys, I'm recovering from COVID. That's my excuse. See, I have a valid excuse. I'm recovering from
Yeah,
COVID. So
me
can't be
too.
eating can't be doing things like this. A virus, you know. There you go.
Crazy.
Hey, nice.
I figured it out.
Elio, two
He said,
more. You're
"Don't
done.
even buy that." Robert said, "Don't even buy that." Yeah. You guys, I don't want to die. Like, we could do like the saltine cracker challenge where you try to eat like, what is it, 10 saltines in like less than 60 seconds or something.
Mhm, mhm.
But we'll be dying, and then you guys will be sad because we won't be able to stream
Yep.
because we'll be dead.
Unbelievable.
Yeah,
Minnie, can you pull up this on your chart? IOTX.
I
Donna, no,
would.
thank you. What time's harder coming out of the next day? It is Jason. Jason
Yeah,
says
let's do the cinnamon challenge.
cinnamon challenge.
That one's easy.
Four times harder coming out the next day. Trust me, Jason says. Yep. There you go. So Sud is asking about the possibilities of that thing getting to 50 cents.
Oh, well, I think we looked at it before.
Yeah.
All these drawings. I'm pretty sure we looked at it like right here, around
Mhm,
14 cents. I mean, there's always a possibility, right?
mhm,
Let's go zoom out. It looks like it's just flagging, like everything else flagging here. What you're gonna be looking for though is that break above like 25 cents, the 24 cent level. You're gonna need to break that, hold above that, and then move to the all-time highs of 26. Um, but right now it seems I had to put the yeah. Right now you're gonna need to break above. What is that? 20 cents, like 19.5. 19.5 to be able to run right above that 9-day EMA and then try to push past that um, and break above these other levels up here. So if you're looking for an entry, seems like 17 cents on the daily seems to be a bouncer right there. 17 cents. Once it starts breaking 17 cents, then you're looking for around 14 cents, which was that resistance from earlier. Gosh, these charts. Resistance from back here, right?
mhm.
So,
So Sud bought at 20. He's asking, bought at 22 cents. Is that a good place to be?
that's kind of right at resistance up there.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're not too far off. But what you're looking for though is breaking above that like 19.5 20 cent level right there to go on a nice run and get back into this channel and then to push higher. And it seems like just like on Shiba, we keep failing at that 9-day EMA. So 17 cents. Hopefully we can get a bounce here and then try to push higher. But yeah, 22 cents. It's kind of like this resistance right here. And
Yeah.
same, like we failed to close above all that stuff. So you kind of bought a little bit at the top, but
Yeah.
not to say that we can't go on a nice run. I mean, the chart doesn't look terrible here. It's not like it's a disaster. It's flagging, but it needs to break above right around 19-20 cents to keep moving higher. It seems like a struggle right now.
Yeah. There you go. There you go. 22 cents might not have been, maybe. Yeah, next time, just wait for a retracement. Right. Yeah. Shiba, 42 still, 42. And Sand recovering, and CRO 86. Right. So I don't know if Gage sold, Mindy. I don't know if he sold Gage. Uh, you up 11K on that. On Sandbox. Congrats. Good job. Good job. Amazing. Good job on that, then. 3 hours. Woke up. You're still here with you, Nova. You dozed off for 3 hours. Okay. Yeah. Let's see what happens in the next like 10 minutes or so, right? And then yeah, and then we can see. We can see, right? So it's been what, 3 hours? 3 hours. No. And then if Shiba is still running, we can always just like have a live chat, and then like just a live stream for Shiba, right? And then go from there. So yeah, let's see what happens in the next like 7 minutes or so, and then we could take a
My
break. And
computer charger. Sorry.
oh, there you go. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Smash a like. Uh, Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And again, if you want to become a member and join us in Discord, the membership stuff is pinned at the top. So pinned at the top. There you go. No, yeah, we basically, yeah, we wanted to come just take a look at some of these like metaverse plays, right, and talk a little bit about the metaverse, and also she if Shiba would break back above the 9-day EMA. So smashed and passed.
Hmm.
We expect Shiba to run tonight, Camper. Well, I hope so. It's had a nice little run already, right? It's up 12% there, Camper. So it's done well. It's done really well. At least we're back above 40 here. So I mean, any sign of hope, we would take it, right? So we need to clear 40, push to 45 though, right? That's really the level we need to break above to go for that again. To go for the run that people would love to see, right? We need 45. Some strong resistance around that level. 45, guys. 45. This made us some more BTC. Anything before the jumped? DJ? Okay. Uh, Baby Dogecoin? Okay. Thank you. No, I sold 4,000 worth of Solana to buy a Sandbox. Wow. You did? Very nice. That's a really good level. Right? That's a really good level there. Good job. I think you just bought the last dip there. That's pretty impressive. Sandbox at
Nice job.
380. $4,000 worth. Let's go. Good job. Double double. Mm, no, I jumped out of ADA on the Ethereum news thoughts. So you got out of ADA because of the news. What's ADA sitting at? Let's take a look at ADA. Right. So let's take a look at the daily chart here for ADA again. So we know ADA had some negative news yesterday. Um, if I can find, for some reason, my charts have just completely changed. Like the yeah. So for ADA here, yeah, I would like to have the right chart here. So. Uh, Yeah, but I don't know. Don't know where it is. But for ADA has support so your next level support for ADA here would be $1.50, right? So you got up because of the news and it's been selling off. So maybe wait for $1.50, something like that, and then maybe look for another position there, right? If we're actually holding at $1.50, again, that's where the next level support is at. That level right there, $1.50 to $1.30 there. It's like a really good buy level, right? So if you can get that, maybe that's not too bad, right? So yeah, not sure, honestly, not sure what to think of that news, right? Not sure. Like Ada still on Ada still on other platforms, right? So uh I'm not sure if it's just manipulation, if it's just whatever is happening there. But I think Ada's still fine. So yeah, I think Ada's still fine. It's right, again, the campus is long-term investment there, right? So it's not exactly about, again, there are no questions around the project itself. It's about regulation, right? So I don't know what to tell you about that. So
Hmm.
rebound scene. Long term, Nova, yeah. Yeah.
Should please do the one chip challenge on stream. Maybe we'll talk about it if we get to 50,000 subscribers. We're almost there. We're less than
Absolutely
500
not.
away. Less than 500
Absolutely not.
away.
Absolutely not. You're gonna risk my life on 50,000
Smash that
subscribers.
like and subscribe. Let's do the
It's
one chip
not
challenge.
happening.
Smash that subscribe.
It's
Come
not
on.
happening. You can subscribe all you want. 50,000
We could do
subscribers or
something.
not.
We could do something fun though. At 50,000 subscribers, we're almost there. We're literally like less than 500 away. So
That's your that's your business. I'm just here minding my own business.
you never mind your own business.
Look at this, you know, and he won't die. Yeah, okay. You saw that ship? That ship looked like death. Came in a picture of a coffin. I'm not about,
Yeah,
you know.
that chip.
Yeah,
That chip looked like they had scraped it from the bottom of like a porta potty. Like It looked scraped and fried.
Yeah, we're not gonna be 50,000 subs. Rubbish, absolute rubbish.
Get there. Let's go.
So many that so you're saying you're gonna do it?
I'm not doing it. No way. I'll do like the cinnamon challenge. Or like, or I'll do something fun at 50,000 subscribers. We're almost there. Like, we'll do a giveaway. We'll do whatever you guys want, except for that dang chip. Like, I thought, yeah, like it's a Dorito, But I looked at that. That wasn't a Dorito. That was like, it had just been fried over and over and just dipped in like all kinds of like scorpion guts.
Unbelievable. Yep. You could subscribe or not subscribe. I'm just gonna mind my own business. Seen the hot ones? Oh, yeah, I've seen it. The hot ones. That show, yeah, I've seen it. I like that show actually. I like hot ones. Hot wings. I like it. I do like that show. Look at
Oh,
Shiba.
we'll have
Go,
to
come
do
on, Shiba.
something funny. We'll have to do
Hmm.
something fun. We'll have to do something fun at 50. Some type of funny thing. You gotta think what? Not that dang chip though. That scares me. Like I'm terrified actually.
I'll
Like
give you
you
I'll
paid
give, I'll
20
give you guys a high
you
five.
paid
How about that?
$20. It's like you paid $20 and this might kill you. Like that's what the disclaimer was. It's like pay $20 for this chip and this
Yeah.
might cost you a $5,000 hospital bill.
No, Queen. Yeah, I've learned my lesson. I've learned my lesson. Uh, I'm not gonna follow Mindy and go skiing at the top of a mountain off a
It's
helicopter. No,
fun.
no. Um, yep. Nope.
You chicken.
That's fine. I could be a chicken or whatever. I'm not doing no such things. Yeah.
Logan Alec, YouTuber, did the challenge, ate 2 chips and ended up in the hospital. I believe it. That
Amen.
thing looks rough. That thing literally looks like I don't even know. Like,
Ended
yeah,
up
it
in the
just
where? In the hospital. Uh huh. No, thank you. Mindy's more badass. Yeah, we know that. That's not even a question. Um,
back to this stuff again.
no, not a question. And I'm okay with that. He ate two. Yeah,
He ate
well,
2. I'll buy the chip and I'll try it. If we get to 50,000, I'll buy it. I'll try it. I'm not eating the whole thing though. I'll take a bite, 2 bites, but I'll try it.
Mindy. Oh
I'm not
no.
scared like you. I'll try a
Oh,
bite. I'm not eating the whole thing though. I won't do the challenge of not drinking for 5 minutes. Like, no. Like, I want my free will. I want my glass of milk, my 8 glasses of milk, and I want some ice, and I want 911 on speed dial. Those are my stipulations.
this is someone like
Just
Queen. This is
like
someone like
lick it? Yeah, I'll lick it. I'll lick the chip. We'll call it done.
yeah, Queen. Like this is almost like peer pressure. When your friends try and pressure you into doing something.
Well,
Yeah,
is there
no,
something
thank you.
cooler? Is there
What?
something cooler? Is there
Then what?
something else other than this dang chip challenge? Like, not as spicy?
Yeah, a high five. A high five to Queen, a high five to these two, a high five to Jason, to Virus, to you guys. There you go. Uh, Chicken is a what? What's that? What's that?
That's a
like a
metaverse
lady? Is that a
superhero.
lady coughing up blood
That's what it
around
looks
the
like.
neck? That's a lady coughing up blood around the neck? Oh no. Two shots of
Little Gen Z kid Tide Pods. I'm almost on the like I mean, I'm not saying Tide Pods, eating Tide Pods are bad, like good, but that might be better than eating this dang chip. Eating a whole Tide Pod.
all the cool kids are doing it. Well, I've never wanted to be cool in my life.
Okay, I'm
Nope.
ordering it. Pack of 1. I'll just order it. Let's see what happens. I'm
Not
not gonna
even
say I'm
there
gonna do
yet.
it.
We're not even there. Why are you ordering it? It's already.
'Cause I wanna have it. It'll be here Tuesday. Wait, my cart. Hold on. I did order it. $19.99 for a dang chip. I'm not gonna eat the whole thing. I can tell you that much.
Oh no, guys. Oh no. Well, if Mindy never shows up on stream again, you guys killed her. It's live on
Where's my
YouTube.
phone? I gotta find my phone. I lost it. I can't order it online because I don't know my password, but I might
Donna,
buy
you guys are
replace
unbelievable. Donna says Mindy girl power. You got this. Uh, free chip when you
it.
just code sub Nova. Okay. Wow, it's ordered, guys. Mindy ordered it.
Not yet. I have to order it on my phone.
Okay. Rest in peace,
Cha-cha.
Jason.
Okay, it's ordered.
Um, it's ordered.
Estimated
Don't worry.
delivery November 30th. I gotta hide my address so nobody. I can't hide my address. Ordered.
Oh
Okay.
no, guys! Don't worry. Before you die, your mom is gonna kill you first, and
I'm
I'll
gonna
be
make
right
her
back
try
to it.
it. I'm gonna
Cheering.
be like, Mom, try this chip. She's gonna be like, What? What are you talking about? She's like, Oh my god.
You know, when you have wicked friends, and like maybe you guys are not used to this, but like African like wicked friends, and your parents are beating you up with the belts, and they're standing in the corner laughing. That's gonna be me when. There you go. Uh, wants to see this? Wants to see this more than us? Oh yeah, Varus. I'm gonna be watching from the corner. Mindy, do it. I'm gonna be your biggest cheerleader when you do this. Um,
No, listen, what if you can't talk anymore after this? You'll only be able to circle charts. Yeah. I just want to try it. Like, I actually been curious. Like, I've seen a bunch of like my military friends like post YouTube videos on it and stuff. So it's kind of cool. But I'm not good with spicy food. So like, I'll try a little bit. We'll see what happens. But like that one kid, have you seen that? There's this one video of this kid doing it, and he literally touches it to his tongue and starts bawling like uncontrollable. He doesn't even eat it. He goes like this, like just a little corner, and he's like screaming, like running around, and like, oh, it's so funny. I like that's probably one of my favorite videos ever.
have an avocado and banana with you while you're doing it. Okay, there you go. If you can
We'll
handle
do it.
it, you have to burn 1 million Shiba, 100. Okay. If your friends jump off a bridge, does that mean you're gonna meet? Well, but did they die? We're gonna find
Exactly.
out.
Did you die? No? Okay. Bet. I'll do it.
We're gonna find out. Someone almost died. I bet you someone's died somewhere. We just don't know.
No. No
Someone's died
way.
somewhere from this.
No way.
Has to be.
No way. It's not like the heat lasts forever. The only thing that could potentially happen is like it shocks your body and you go into like cardiac arrest or something. But like other than that, you're not gonna die. It just might be
Yeah,
like so hot to handle that you start having like a panic attack and go to the hospital, right?
it's okay.
But if you can get past it,
Let me
you'll be
recover
okay.
from COVID lungs first before I start testing other things.
Doesn't affect your lungs, it affects your tongue. So there you go, proved you wrong.
No, if I'm trying to breathe and I can't breathe, what am I supposed to do?
You just breathe. You'll be able to breathe. It's just mental, right?
Sure.
I'm gonna be on here like, oh my gosh. I'll just shut my camera off, go to the hospital, come back, like with my little hospital wristband, like, guys, challenge complete, $5,000 hospital bill, let's go.
Yeah.
But is this the hottest chili in the world? It's a chip.
A young man from Batam named Weki Chandra, 27 years old, is said to have died after eating the hottest chili in the world. Uh huh.
Virus laughs, it's mental. Yeah. I mean, I'm probably gonna die. Like at the time, I'll be like, no, it's not mental, you guys. Like this thing sucks. No, I'm gonna have like yeah, like we'll try it. I'm not eating the whole thing though. I don't know. You just did it? Oh, Coop said I just did the hot chip challenge. That crap was no joke. Oh, well, it's ordered. That chip has that chili that killed that guy. I'm not eating the whole chip, you guys. I'm gonna take a corner. I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna assess the situation.
I'm so ready for this, guys. I am ready. Like I'm more excited now than you guys.
Yeah, I better get super chats out the wazoo
No, not happening.
to
You'll be
to
reborn.
pay for my hospital bill.
Yeah, the hospital bill. You'll be reborn as Mindaki Phoenix from the ashes. Yeah, you mean like a ghost when like you when you're
Don't
cremated?
switch it with a Dorito. I didn't even
Yeah.
think about that, Nova. What the heck?
We could see it, Mindy. We could see it. So you guys switch it
Yeah, Virus says get Blaze a super sour candy. Yeah, Blaze, what if I get you like super sour stuff?
to get what
Would
to
you
do
do
what
that?
with. Sure,
Like eat it? You
sure,
would?
yeah,
Sour?
sure.
You might die.
Why would I die for super sour candy?
I don't know. I'm gonna find like the sourest, super sour candy challenge.
Super sour water in your mouth for 20 minutes. Run water in your mouth for 20 minutes. Wow. Why would I die from super sour candy? I think this is a bad idea, Robert. Yep, I think it's a very good idea. As long as I'm not doing it, very good idea. We'll
Okay, let
find
me
out.
read the reviews and see what people say.
Okay. Milk is better than water. That funny these days. I don't know. Donna, you were supporting Mindy. You were supporting Mindy the whole time. Like, oh, Mindy, go power, go power. Now you're like, not a good idea.
What? What's not
It's
a good idea?
too late. Mindy ordered the chip already. And, yep, no excuses. No excuses. It's here on Tuesday. We'll see when we do it.
Gotta find something for Blaze to do. Sour candy for real while I'm over here dying? Blaze, you better put cinnamon on a teaspoon and just shove it in your mouth and see what happens.
Is cinnamon like a challenge? What
Yeah,
happened? Oh.
I don't know. You have to try it.
The consequences of saying it for Donna. Yep.
Yeah. Donna's like, oh my gosh, we're all a part of peer pressure. If Mindy dies, we're all going down.
Yep. Yep. So drink milk before the heat to coat your tongue and belly,
What
so
I'm
it's not
scared
as
of is
intense.
seeing the chip. Like, I'm not necessarily scared of eating it. I'm scared of opening the package and like getting a whiff of it and just being like, I can't do it. That's happened to me though. Like sometimes you get something spicy, you're like, whoa.
There you go. Look at Virus. Virus was the one that brought this idea up. Look how he's laughing. He's like, can't wait. Virus brought this idea up. Uh, run 20 water in your mouth for 20 minutes plus, and you'll be all good. Okay.
Yeah, he did the challenge. I'm gonna listen to him, not you guys.
That sounds.
Ice for your butt the next day. Yeah. I'm not eating the whole thing. I can put that right now.
Thinking noir. My lungs, right? Can't be doing such
Yeah.
dangerous things. Wait, dangerous things. Next
As I'm
day,
over here, have COVID, gonna do it. Blaze is saying, my lungs, COVID. Yeah.
I'm
Okay.
recovering.
Do
Recovering
it.
fast. Nope, thank you. Chip, chase it with cinnamon, Nova. Eat that chip, chase it with cinnamon. Yep, she'd be dead for sure.
Yeah.
Ice cream. Ice cream? That's on the right track now. Ice cream with chips? Okay. Hello, political. Hello, my fellow earthlings. Hello. Probably curates. Jason, maybe. Wow, the fire? Huh. Maybe that's what I need to eat then. Who has the chip? Mindy does. She ordered it from Amazon.
Yeah, it'll be here Tuesday.
Okay. Like Tuesday, okay.
Like Tuesday.
Okay, I thought you were about to give like Tuesday, December the you
No,
know,
like Tuesday.
2025.
No, we need day two.
Yeah, Queen said wear gloves. So
Yeah.
then take those gloves off. Let Shiba go. Come on, Shiba. What are you waiting for here? What are you waiting for? 42.5, guys. 12%, 12.5%. Yeah, not bad at all. Not bad at all, guys. It's done well. The Chubby Bunny challenge. The Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny.
Just eat it
Chubby.
in the metaverse.
Yep. Jelly bean. Jelly bean.
Jelly bean boozled? Yeah. I think I still have some around here somewhere. Bean boozled? Those jelly beans taste like doo doo.
Yep. No, you're absolutely right, Dan. Yeah, it's better than 35. Yeah, it's better. Again, Shiba's better above 40 here. Well, for now, right? So better above 40 than what it was at a few hours ago. So, he challenge going to be a good one, Stuart. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a. It's a good time to buy what, Sonny? Good time to buy Shiba. Oh, what are you asking for? We're just watching so many names. So when you ask, like, is it a good time to buy? I'm not sure what you're asking for. And here comes CRO, guys, right? So we know we have that support, right? Resistance at whatever level, $1, right? So hit 99, and here it is, almost at 85, and breaking below, right? So that's quite the sell off here for CRO. So let's see if we can find support above this level in bounce, right? So yeah, so the last time Crow CRO had that retracement, it held at this level. So let's see if we can do it again here. It's trying, right? So trying, and here goes Sand again. Sand just doesn't give up. Like Sand just keeps going, and it's almost back to green here. So Sand looks really good, like really good. So and Shiba is trying as well. So JC at 10 cents. Okay, very nice, good job. Dollars are being burnt means they are worth more. Shiba dollars, Leo.
Shiba dollars. Shiba dollars. You got OTEX at 10 cents. Sweet.
La, 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 la.
Bringing the heat. Yeah, we'll try. I mean, I'll try the challenge. I don't necessarily know how it's gonna go.
Mhm,
We shall see.
mhm.
But
Mm. 41.
Coinbase is now allowing staking Ethereum. Nice. Nice. When I want to watch when we get to 50K subscribers. I ain't just doing it on a dang Tuesday, any random Tuesday of the month. We'll see. We'll see. I might get the chip, and I might just want to get it over with. So
Yep.
how long before the sheep burning starts making impact? Yeah, it's gonna have to burn like quite a bit, right? But it just takes over time, right? There's not like an exact date. It's just gonna take over time.
Yeah, it's not like a timeline thing. It's yeah. More of how much can you get rid of, right?
Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Mm.
You watch this a lot? Oh, nice. Okay.
It's a lot. Look at sand
Hmm.
go though, Mindy. Look at that thing go.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah.
Imagine if you bought like a month ago. Be
At
fire.
70 cents.
Yeah, fire.
There you go. Any last questions, guys, before we any last questions before we take a break? And yeah. Any last questions, guys? Let
Um,
us know. Just made me subscribe. Look at that.
yeah, he
Look at
wants to watch
that.
the chip challenge.
He wants to see you die. Oh no, guys.
It's okay. I've eaten weird stuff before. We'll see what
Yeah.
happens.
Oh no.
I'm not gonna
Yeah.
die.
Yeah.
And if I do,
Yeah.
that's the way I was supposed to die, I guess.
Yeah.
You
I
know?
guess so.
That's when I decide to get taken up. Well,
Yeah.
do it for hot trades, right?
No, sure. There you go, guys. What's that crashing mean? Did something just crash in your chart? Hero. Oh, okay,
Yeah,
that's not really a crash.
no.
There you go. 100. Anything? Any celebrations tomorrow for Canada? Not really. Not that I'm aware of. Handed the chip challenge. What happens?
He said that chip's not no joke. Yeah. I'm actually kind of nervous, but it's fine.
Yep. That answer. That's Queen. So Queen is asking here. Could I handle the hot chip challenge? This answer from 8 Ball is a very cryptic. This is an Elon answer. It's like, oh, what happens to a frog? To a frog's car when it breaks down, it gets stowed away. It's almost like telling me it's a message for me. Like, what
Queen,
happens when you use my
Queen, ask him what's gonna happen when I eat the chip. Wait, we have to wait to see the answer because it's probably gonna
okay,
be like, she's a runner, she's a track star.
to the bathroom here
She's
she
a
goes.
boss.
So no, the answer is what happens when you do something silly? You die. Stop.
Yeah, okay. One time though, I when I was in South Korea, I did eat this rice. So they give you like rice and a pineapple. And I'm like, oh, this is cool. They ask you like what heat level you want. It's like 1 to 5. So I'm like, oh, I'll take like in the middle, like a 2, right?
Yeah,
That stuff was so bad, and like a friend of mine, he ended up getting like a 4, and he was like puking in the bathroom. It was so hot.
yeah.
Like Korean food's very, very
See?
hot over there. So
You get
I've
towed
had that,
away.
and I'm sure this chip's gonna be like eating the sun. Oh my god.
Let's go. Nothing else to say. Nothing else to say. That's it. What will happen to Mindy with the one chip challenge? I'm not here to judge, guys. I'm not judging. I'm just pointing out all the mistakes you're making.
Blaze, are you in charge of 8 Ball? You're the one clicking the answers over there.
I am
I bet
not.
he
I
is.
promise you I'm not. That was perfect. It was. Right? That's perfect. Um, there you go. Okay, guys, before we leave here in a minute or so, don't forget to smash that like if you haven't already. Yeah, smash that like. There we go. Thank you for getting to 200 likes. Smash that like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, guys. And if you want to become a member and join us in Discord, the membership link is pinned again at the top of your live chat. So, yeah, so we'll just wish you guys a very happy Thanksgiving. Enjoy your day off, right? Eat some food. Stay away from the one chip challenge. Make the right decisions. 8 Ball is the one chip challenge safe? Is it safe? When I was in high school, I had two favorite subjects: lunch and recess.
That's how you know 8 Ball has no idea what he's talking about.
No, that's not true. It was just ignoring you now because it was giving you the answers already, and you ignore them. So it was like, okay, let me give her. There you go. There you go, guys. So yeah, again, have a wonderful Thanksgiving. If something's happening with Shiba, I can just leave up the charts, but not right now, right? If we start pumping, I can just put up the charts and let it run overnight, right? So if Shiba starts moving there, so we have something to watch, right? And then go from there, right? Again, have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Lunch equals food, so yes. Queen, Andrew, auditing, Christo, Nova, happy Thanksgiving, Donna, Oku, there you go, Mr. Roadside, challenge based off of calls, the best stock, and makes the most gains, Mr. Roadside. Cool, very cool actually, very cool. Uh, eat some collard greens, Queen, please and thank you. Hundreds, gobble gobble. There you go, Mr. Varus. Amber, have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Bye. Hola hola Green, happy Thanksgiving. Erica, um, I have nothing to say to you. Star, happy Thanksgiving. Steve, good night. One day off the massacre. Bye, political. Happy Thanksgiving. Alrighty, guys. Have a wonderful Thanksgiving. All Robbie, bye. Happy Thanksgiving, guys. See you guys later.